Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. How are you all this morning? My name is Martyn Lucas. I go live every morning, every evening for the opening and closing bell. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. Audio there. How are you all this morning? Audio coming My name is Martyn Lucas. I go live. That's better. There you go. Live updates there. Every morning I go live and I share with you my actual money, my actual trades, my real positions. This is my actual portfolio, up from $5,500 up to $40,008. It was 58. We had the war, of course, currently going on. The last 3 or 4 months now, we've been dropping. COVID, inflation, or the Fed, all these things. But we're starting to perhaps see the end to the war in sight. Russia is losing every day their position, so it's looking good for the people of Ukraine, and it's looking great for our markets. We've had 3 record days. Today is big for MULN. Everyone's interested in MULN right now. I'll show you my position. I'll show you what we're doing. Let's get straight into the positions right now. So first of all, let's get straight into the trades. Over there on TikTok, good morning to all of you. I hope you're all well. Welcome, welcome, welcome to the live show. Click subscribe and ring the bell. There we go. And give us a great big thumbs up. We'd like to get 20 thumbs ups before the show starts. Who was here early today? A few of you were here early. Let's have a look. We've got development alert. Uganda was here, and it still is here, I believe. Zach from Uganda. One of our biggest traders, Muzanella. Drillion is here as well. You were here. Nudge it, budget, move it. You were all here before the show started. So come back on in so I can put your messages on the screen. I can't do that if you come before the show. I'm not able to share those messages straight away. The first person here in the chat live in the show is Bill, Shin Dynasty. How are you, mate? Lovely to have you here. Welcome, 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 everyone. All right, let's get straight into it. This is great. We're off and running. Thank you very much for subscribing, ring the bell. We're live here every day. I want to welcome our new members. We gained several members overnight, and several new guests as well joined us as well. Watch the new videos of Mullen and SPCE. So thank you to you for joining us today. Thanks to all of you over there on TikTok. Welcome to all of you. This is our YouTube broadcast right here. If you want to be part of it, click the links in the top and you can be part of the main show. Good morning, Bill, says Zach. Good stuff indeed. Right. Today we want to pick a date for Zach's fundraiser event. We'll have a little poll to work out the best time. I wanted to wait till Friday because we get the majority of people in on a Friday, and we can do a poll today, and we can find out when the best time is that most people could come in, make requests, and that way support Zach's charity fundraiser event. All right, that's exactly what we want to do. Let's get straight into it. Let's go through all the stocks right now, and let's see where we are up and down with all the stocks. First of all, our overall portfolio is down slightly, 1.64. I'm here just doing stuff while listening on the TV. Good morning, Aaron Bell. Good morning to you. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I think we've got a new guest in the show. Everybody put your cities and countries. Welcome Aaron Bell in. I've not recognized him before. And apologies if you've been here before, but you look pretty new to me. So I want to welcome you to the show. Let me just make a slight adjustment on the camera. There we go. On TikTok, good stuff. Tesla is down very slightly on the pre-market. Rivian, but the one we're really interested in, the one we're looking at today, if we go to it now, we got VU we want to bring in. We also want to bring in Mullen. This is the big story of the day. What's it going to do? Let's have a look. Open a new tab and root and SoFi. These are the ones we want to keep an eye on today. Okay. All right. Now, the Vanguard S&P is just down very slightly, but we're already up 4%. Mullen, this is the one we're looking at, 229. We'll discuss it in detail shortly. Now, this one today, if it held above 230, which it didn't, it dropped. Remember last night, Peru Invest told us about this. It could go up today to $5. So we're going to be watching this very, very closely and see what we can learn from this. Let me check all my screens. Everything's looking good around the studio. Good stuff. Time for a quick cup of tea. Okay. So once all the crowd arrive, we're going to do a poll and we're going to find the best time to do a fundraiser for Zach. I'm thinking Friday, and I'm thinking straight after the show on Friday. So I'm thinking next Friday. I'm gonna check with everyone soon, and we'll do a poll and we'll share it. And I think that's what we'll do. Right, Simon Jones, welcome to Simon Jones. Mike, Aaron, welcome Aaron. Zach's welcoming in all our new members here today. This is absolutely wonderful stuff. Great, we got our friend Zach today from Uganda has joined us. Wonderful stuff indeed. Simon Jones, I've seen before. He's not a member of the channel, but he is a guest. Certainly, he's been here several times, I think. I want to make sure that all of my guests have taken advantage of all the links on the All Links button. Here it is. There's the Discord, there's the Instagram, there's the TikTok, but also there is all the free stocks from Robinhood, eTORO, COINBASE, and WEBULL. My sponsors give me stuff, and I want to make sure that you claim it all. It's all there for you. This channel is about supporting you. That's what it's all about. Right. Let's go and go through the stocks right now. We've got just 15 minutes for the pre-market. Now, the pre-market on Mullen, right now, I've got a stop trailing order. I got back in because I thought, okay, I made $240 on it, and I decided to get back in, right? And I've set a trading loss, which will go at 206, which means I would lose 200 if it drops to 206, which means I'm still up $40. But I was interested what Peru Invest said about this stock could go to $5 today if it held up. Well, it didn't hold up. It went down to 228. It's 230 right now, but let's see what happens to it today. I am going to sell it at 202, whatever that was, 206, whatever that was, and which means I will be up $40. I'm not going to lose money on it, but let's see where it goes. It's slightly improved this morning. It was down as low as 7.5%. It's gained 1%. It's just hovering around this 228. Let's see where it opens up. So it'll be interesting to see. Subscribe and ring the bell if you've just tuned in, and give us a thumbs up. If you're over there on TikTok, come and join us here on YouTube. This is the home of our channel. Gold is the last element created by exploding stars. I have no idea what that means. I've sold all my Bitcoin, sold all my crypto, made money on it because I feel there's much more opportunities in technology on the main stock market right now. And I don't think that actually. I know that because it's actually happening. Bitcoin, Ethereum, 1 or 2% a day, not a great deal. Well, you're making 30, 40% on some high-tech stocks. So anyway, hi guys, good luck today. Simon Jones, thank you very much. Where are you from, Simon? Full disclosure, I just want you to know, this is my TV studio here in Dallas, Texas. I'm actually from Cornwall, the United Kingdom, and this is where I do my live concerts every day. I was voted by Elton John as the world piano man, raised over $1 million in this studio. I'll give you a wave. There you go. For charities around the world, and then in the daytime, I like to do trades and investments with the Day Trader Show. So that's what I'm all about, and I hope you are enjoying the show. From Birmingham, I think we spoke before, haven't we? Because I went Birmingham because my mum's from Aston. I may have said that before. Anyway. The overall portfolio is just down 1.61, but that comes on the back of record weeks. We've had 10% during the week. We're even up on the month, folks. Nudge it, budget, move it. One of our sponsors is here today. We're down to 30 minutes before the bell goes. We will make sure that we mention Nudge it, budget, move it once the crowd arrive. Friday morning, opening bell. This show is always the busiest show of the week. Why? Because it's Members Day. We promote the members. We do premiere videos of our members. We also give cash away live in the show to our members. It's a great day to be a member. If you want to be a member, here is the invitation to join. Let me post it on the screen right now. There you go. There is the invitation to join. If you want to be a member, click on that. You've got until we do the raffle. What is the raffle, I hear you say? I don't actually hear anyone say that, but I'm just saying. I hear you say... This is the raffle. This is the raffle. I will bring it up now, and everyone's name is here. Look, here we go. This we'll be doing a little bit later on. This is the raffle. All our members. There we go. We've actually got 38 members. It shows 45 here. That's because people that may have unsubscribed as a member, but I'll leave them on just in case they come back. But if they win, they'll be disqualified because they're not current members. Okay, so don't worry about that. But everyone's name is here. And when I start the raffle, this is what happens. There you go. It starts spinning around, and we'll be doing that very, very shortly live in the show. We're also going to have a vote, and we're going to pick a day for the fundraiser gig. All right, it's a 20-minute concert where you can choose songs, make requests, and all the money. It's a free event I do for my silver members. Zach is a silver member, and he will get a fundraiser gig for free as a silver member. How cool is that? And we'll be doing that. We'll be announcing that very, very soon live here on the show. All right, let's get back to the main portfolio. We're up on the month, we're up on the week, and we are just slightly down on the day at the moment. It's your show, Martin. There we go. Everyone's got a trademark. In fact, Zach hasn't got a trademark. We need to get Zach a trademark. But Mike has a trademark. It's your show, Martin. And smash the bloody like button. He's got two. I don't know how he ended up with two, but he's got two. Anyway, Mullen is down at the moment, 7%, 17 cents. It will sell. I got back in. Some of you asked me the question, am I going to get back in? I got back in. So I've made $240. I've set a limit to go down to 206 right now, a 13% trading loss. Okay. And there it is. Smash the bloody like button. There it is. And if that does that, I will lose $200, which means I'm up $40. Hopefully it won't go down. And the reason why I got back in is right at the last few minutes, we did hear that Peru Invest said that if it holds above 230, it will go to $5 today. Well, it didn't hold above 230. It held 229. So it dropped 1 cent. Now, I don't know how significant that is. I would imagine that is very significant because if people set limits for contracts to expire, then that is a precise number. That's not just a variable and it's negotiable between two blokes down the pub. It's a real thing. So I'm assuming because of that growth to $5 won't happen, but we'll see. I don't actually know. We'll find out later in the show. What's our crypto doing? Down again today, Bitcoin. Ethereum is up 1%, but I'm currently out of it. Sold it all. I see greater opportunities elsewhere. All right, let me fix that. Okay. Over there on TikTok, we've got a slight issue here with the exposure. It's what happens, I'm afraid, with your phone. How is MULN Automotive doing? Well, here it is on the screen. This is Mullen right now. 10 seconds from now, you'll see it on the screen. There's a delay to YouTube. That's where you need to be if you want to see my actual trades. This is my YouTube broadcast right here. Hi, Mark and Bill. Right, 228. It's holding at the moment, 6.5% down on the after hours. We have got 9 minutes to go before the pre-market begins. And remember, the pre-market has already begun on other platforms. It's only just going live now on Robinhood. It actually has been live for quite a while. So we just need to make sure you're fully aware of that. All right? Okay. Just so everybody knows. Mullen is now 229. It's moving up slightly, but it's been hovering around here now all day long. All morning, I should say. Right, we've got 20 people in the stream. If you've just tuned in now, good morning to you. Subscribe and ring the bell. We go live every morning for the opening and closing bell. Today, we're talking about Mullen, and also we're talking about SPCE as well. Big news today. It's down 1.89 in the after hours, but up 882, 12.5% yesterday. Huge gains now. I'm up 16.5%. Very, very nice indeed. So looking very, very good. Let's subscribe and ring the bell. Give us a thumbs up. We need 20 likes in the next 8 minutes. So smash the like button. We need 20 likes in the next 8 So we need 4 likes in the next 8 minutes. We've already got 16. Let's see if we can get 20 likes. All right. Very exciting. We've got 7 minutes to go. Keep our eye on Mullen. Friday, big cash giveaway. Let's bring all our members in here. We've got Zach. We've got Beetle Sean. Let me put everyone's message on the screen. How are you all this morning? Love it. Muzanella, if your call options expire in the money, you end up paying a higher price to purchase the stock than what you would have paid if you had bought the stock outright. You are also out the commission that you paid to buy the option and the option's premium cost. There you go. That's an explanation of options for you right there from Muzanella. Okay, so Muzanella, just repeat that again. If your call options expire in the money, you end up paying a higher price to purchase the stock than what you would have paid if you had bought the stock outright. You are also out the commission you paid to buy the option and the option's premium cost. All right, I hope that makes sense to everybody. It does to me. I'm learning more about options every day. I'm still not trading options, but I understand it more and more each day. I'm getting more and more confident with it. All right, subscribe and ring the bell. Give us a thumbs up. Let us know you're here. We got 19 likes now. We are 1 away. Great stuff. Over on TikTok, welcome to all of you. Farhan, is that Farhan? I think that is Faheen. How is Mullen doing? We've got Mullen on the screen. We're watching it very closely. I've been trading stock options since 2005. I'm getting why you guys think Mullen will go to 5 if it stays over 230. All right. So, again, I have been trading stock options since 2000. Now, Muzanella, could you explain to us then? This is very important. Peru Invest last night said if by the end of the day, which was last night, it would hold to 230, it would go to 5 today. But it went to 229 by the close last night. It was 230 in the main hours, 230 in the main hours, but it was 229 in the after hours. Not the pre-hours, the after hours. So what does that mean? What does that mean? What, in your opinion? Because he said the contract would expire and it would go to $5. So, but it went to it was above 230 in the main at the close, but it went to 229 in the after hours. And now you can see it's at 231 here in the pre-market. I've been trading stock options since 2005. I'm getting why you guys think Mullen will go to 5 if it stays over 230. Okay, well, it's 231 right now. It's starting to move up. I bought back in again. We'll see what happens. We've got literally 4 minutes to go before the pre-market on Robinhood. Remember, the pre-market is only my pre-market. Whatever brokerage you have, you may have gone early. You may already be trading. I just want to make that clear. The pre-market is just my pre-market on Robinhood. He needs to explain why. It doesn't make sense. I don't understand it either. Unfortunately, he's not here right now. And when he said the statement, he disappeared. We lost him, so I don't know. I don't know what to make of it. I was hoping that you'd tell me, but never mind. We'll keep our fingers crossed. So basically, on the basis of that, he's been right 95% of the time. So I decided, this is how I decided to play it. I bought in way lower than where I am now. Okay, and I made $240 and I sold it. I had a stop trading loss. I was up $500, but I sold it. I'd set a trading loss. It dropped back down. I took a $240 profit. Okay. It then went up slightly, and I bought back in. And I bought back in because he said what he said about it could go to 5. Right. So what I did, I've set a stop trading loss. So if it goes down, the most I will lose is 200, which means I'm still up $40. So I'm not going to lose any money. I'm just making sure I'm in the game in case it does. So we're all a bit new to this right now. We don't know what's going to happen. It's the honest truth. We've got 3 minutes to go. We've got 19 likes. We need one more like. If you've just tuned in, we need 20 likes before the bell goes. It's what we do. It's a little game we play. And today is the big cash giveaway as well. And also we're going to do a vote and choose when to do the fundraiser for Zach, who's in the house today. That was me. There we go. Robert Durant is in the house. Who's going to be the first? Who's going to be the first? Smash the like. Robert. Yes, me. There we go. 20 likes. We're off and running. Awesome stuff. Awesome stuff. I'm the first. I'm the first. Get out of it. I'm better. I'm number one. I'm number one. There you go. All right. We're off and running. Now it's Friday cash giveaway. Very excited. We're getting 2 members during the night. Very excited about it. Very excited about it. Hey, Robert, 20 likes. Thanks. Good stuff. We're going to be later in the show. We'll do a poll and we'll find out the best time to do the 20-minute fundraiser as a silver member. You get a 20-minute concert with birthday, whatever, or you can have a fundraiser if you want, silver members. So we're going to do that for you today. We're going to pick a time. So we're very excited. Now, I also want to thank everybody. We've had a video. Mullen went out last night. Our channel is really starting to pick up speed now. Our average videos get like 50, 60, 70, 80 views. And I think that's quite good for me right now. I know it's small, but for me it's quite good, right? Well, Mullen has had 169. And the SPC video is at 125 right now. Very, very excited. We're starting to get some growth into the channel. We're starting to get the videos to take off. So it's very, very exciting. Right, here we go. We got 30 seconds before the bell goes. Let's have a look. Pre-market's about to begin. Let's go straight into Mullen. It's moving up. 231. 10 seconds to go. Right, this is the pre-market beginning now in 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. There we go. Now then, pre-market, we're down 4.92 on the pre-market. Let me fix the there we go. Let me refresh the screen. 232. 232. 231. Right, 232. Hovering around now. Now this will sell. I've set a stop trading loss at 206. That assures me that I won't lose any money. Okay? Let's read Muzana's comment. The 250 call is at 0.25, 25 cents. When you're in the money and buy the stock, you end up losing the premium you paid for the stock options cost. Generally, people close the options positions instead of buying. There you go. The 250 call is at 25 cents. When you are in the money and you buy the stock, you end up losing the premium you paid for the stock options. Generally, people close the options positions instead of buying the stock. That's what he says. If one of you think I'm pleased, if one of you think I'm please correct and explain. I don't understand that last comment. If one of you think I'm please correct and explain. I'm not sure that last comment, Moose. So we're still a little bit in the dark. We're all a little bit in the dark this morning. Not sure what's happening. We're trying to learn from it. We're trying to understand what's going on. We're going to keep our eye on it. We're going to watch what's going on. And we're going to just learn from it. That's all I can say. That's the honest truth right now. I don't know what's happening. All I know is I've set a stop limit order. I will not lose money on it. I'll be up. I will still make $40. That's the worst case scenario. I will still make 40 bucks. I'm not going to lose money. And that's the most important thing, right? Nobody ever went bankrupt making profits, okay? You might miss out on opportunities, but at least you protected your income and didn't lose any money. Right, coming up in today's show, we've got the cash prize giveaway. We've also got the poll where we are... Sorry, I was driving. Yeah, on this, Muzanella, please take care of your driving. Don't worry about us. Please, don't worry about what we're doing here. You drive. How come you're always driving at this time? I guess you're driving to work, right? Or somewhere, or whatever. But every day in this time, you're always driving. I don't know why I asked that. It's a silly question. It obviously means you do the same thing every day, which most people do. I sit here every day. You probably drive to work every day. Forget I just asked you that. It's a silly question, right? It is a very silly question. Right. Don't ask me what I'm doing. I do the same thing as you. Whatever you're doing, I do the same thing every day. It's what we do, right? We all have patterns and... anyway, whatever. I was off for 5 days. Oh, very, very nice. But now you're back, right? Virgin Galactic is down 1.89. Rivian is down 1.89. There we go. 1.23 Rivian. Tesla just down. Everything's down slightly. I'm not buying anything right now. SoFi is moving up. Root is down 1%. Everything is down a little bit this morning. Mullen 228. Where's it going to go? Now, the stop trading loss is placed. It went in at 8 o'clock. All right? So, right now, it'll sell at 206. I can cancel it if I want, but it will go at 206. So, let's get this straight. If it goes at 206, let me do a quick calculation. Make sure I'm correct. 1,000, whoops-a-daisy. 1,000 shares times $2.06 is 2,060. And that's what it will sell for. And I just bought it for 2,385. Yes, I know. So we go minus 2,385. So I'm down 325. But I made 2,100, 2,300, 20. I made 210, so plus 210. I beg your pardon, I'll be down $115. I'll be down $115 if it goes and sells at 206. Okay? $110 if it sells at 206. So hopefully it won't. Hopefully it will pop up. But we are going down. I could sell it now. Down 7% on the pre-market. I can call in, but I can't do a Zoom voice only. I can call in, but I can't do a Zoom only. Okay. I can call in, but I can't do a Zoom. Voice only. Okay. Well, Muzanella could explain this a little bit better, what's happening on the screen. So maybe that would be kind of cool. So what we'll do that then, right? Shall we have Muzanella call in? Right now, shall we do that? Who would like to hear from Muzanella about what he thinks is happening right now? I think that would be quite a good idea. So we'll do that. Yes, people want to hear from Muz about the Mullen call, the options. Right. Okay. So what we'll do, we'll go over to the interview screen. We'll turn the interview on, and we'll give. I will give you the link. It's the same link you always use to call in. Yes, people want to hear from you. Great. Okay, good stuff. This is the link. Just put this in your browser. Okay? You don't need the camera. Just the microphone. There we go. He's driving, so I'm a bit concerned of him driving, to be perfectly honest. But anyway, what's your 60-day average? I just got asked that on TikTok. If you look on YouTube, you come onto YouTube, you'll see my charts. It's the best way to show you. On TikTok isn't really for serious traders. The traders are actually here on YouTube. If you want to see actually what I'm trading, this is my YouTube broadcast. You can see all my charts, whereas on TikTok, you're only looking at me on a phone. So I would recommend you do that if you really want to know details like that. All right. So I've given you the link now in the chat. Moves, it's bit.ly/Martyn Live. And if he calls in, he will be in this position here. And hopefully he'll join me, he'll call in, and we'll have a conversation. He doesn't have to be on camera, but obviously his microphone will be picked up. All right, so we'll wait to see. Okay. We'll wait to see him call in. I'll leave the call in button open, and if he calls in, that'll be wonderful, won't it? Okay. I'll go back over to the trading screens and I'll sit here and wait. And let's see if he calls in. Right, Mullen right now is down 225, 226. It will sell. I'll be out the money by $100, but I'll be out. I'll have my money back out again. I was hoping actually I would actually have been in the money, but I did a miscalculation. It's not quite right. I'll actually be out of $100, but that's fine. Mike Flynn's over on TikTok. Hiya, Mike. Good morning to you. Right, we got 21 minutes to go. I just walked to my office trying to set up my PC. Okay, take your time. Take your time, Moose. I don't like people getting stressed. We don't want stress. We don't do stress here. Life too short for stressing, isn't it? Over there on TikTok, welcome. We're looking at Mullen right now. We are keeping our eye on Mullen. This is my overall portfolio. This is my actual real money, my real savings, my real portfolio. We are down 2% today, but we're up we're at $40,000. You can see it on the screen, which is great, up from $5,500 in 9 months. Pretty good. I'm very happy with that. It's a bit warm in here today. Like yesterday, I'm going to take my jacket off. So just bear with me a second as I take my jacket off. A bit hot today. That's a bit better. Gets a bit warm sometimes in the studio, even though we are all energy efficient LEDs and no heat at all. Still the heat of Texas outside. So there we go. A little bit warm in here today. Mike Flynn, thank you very much indeed. Mike Flynn, you got done. You got done. Applauser who can't spell applause got told off by Mike. You tell him, Mike. People say silly stuff. Call them out. Call them out. If they want to say silly stuff, call them out. I just walked to my office trying to set up my PC. There we go. That's what we just heard from Moose. So we're watching MULN. MULN now. 227. Okay. It will sell. It's set to sell at 206. 206. Right, where are we going to go? It's picking up. 227. 228. Hey all, Duchak's here. Welcome, Duchak. Best time of the week, Friday opening bell, cash giveaway. We're also going to have a poll today and decide when we do Zach's 20-minute fundraiser gig. I suggest Friday straight after the cash draw. That's what I suggest. That's the busiest time. We want to raise him as much money as possible. All right. Mullen, down 697. I've set a stop trading loss. So, let's see. Not going to buy any more. Thanks for all the likes, by the way, on TikTok. We're over 2,000 now. Absolutely awesome. Thank you ever so much, everyone who's tuned into TikTok this morning. We are looking at Mullen right now. We've sold all our Bitcoin. Here's our Bitcoin. There's a 20-second delay on YouTube. This is the YouTube broadcast. We've sold all our Bitcoin because there's no opportunity in Bitcoin right now. Sold all my Ethereum. It's growing slower than everything else. So I've moved all my money into high-risk tech stocks. Right. We have Muzanella calling in now. Let me go to Mullen. All right. Let me assign him to. I'll sign myself. Here we go. Let's bring him in. Go to the interview screen. So I'm going to add my. Hang on a minute. Guest 1. Add to the right. Add to the left. There we go. This is Muzanella right now. Muz, can you hear me?
Yes, can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you perfectly well.
Okay, let me close my office door.
Very good. By the way, guys, you're getting a little sneak preview now into Muzanella's life. Muzanella is soon going to start his very own YouTube channel. It's already up and running. The work's going into it. And this is the man. And he'll be doing his show with us very, very soon. So very excited about that. Okay, we can hear you. I've taken you off camera for a minute so I can hear you. So I've got Mullen on the screen.
Yeah, if you take me off camera because I'm at work.
That's fine. You're off camera.
I could be getting clients or even
yeah, you're off camera.
Walking in for questions.
You're off camera. Right. I'm showing the Mullen screen. And all we've got is your audio. So you can look at the Mullen screen now on YouTube and you can tell us what we're looking at. You've just muted yourself a second, Muz. The guest has muted himself. Just unmute yourself. Okay. So we'll see if he comes back in again. All he's got to do is unmute himself and he'll be there. 2:28. Right, 15 minutes to go. Here we go. Let's bring up the timer. Let's see if Muz comes back in again. You've muted yourself, Muz. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. 15 minutes off and running. We're at 2:28. We're starting to come up slightly. Where's it going to go? We're down 2%. Still holding above 40,000. Vanguard S&P. Mullen, 228. Let me just see if I can, just make sure that, just so you know, Muz, you've muted yourself. We can't hear you until you unmute yourself. All right, just so you know. You are currently muted. I keep repeating that in case he turns his mic on and off. We don't want to lose him. All right. It may be for a good reason. He may have a client in his office. So, you know, that's what it may be. Right, 14 minutes to go. I've moved all my money into high risk. Right. I could hear you then. You've unmuted yourself, Muz. So just turn the YouTube off a minute. Turn the YouTube off.
I'm back.
Okay, just mute the YouTube. Otherwise, we get feedback. Right. I can hear you then. You've unmuted yourself, Muz. So just turn the YouTube off a minute. Turn the YouTube off.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, just mute the YouTube. Otherwise, we get feedback.
Okay, give me 1 second.
Right. I can hear you then. You unmuted yourself, Muz. So just turn the YouTube off a minute. There you go. I think he's muted it. Oh, he's gone now. We lost him. All right. We'll keep our eye out, and hopefully he'll come back in again. All right. So we're down 1.98 on the pre-market. VU is down 0.73. Oh, he's back. He's back again. He's back again. All right. Here he is. He's back. Let me bring him into the interview screen again. And here we go. Let's add him back in again. All right, Moose?
Yeah. Can you hear me now?
I can hear you. Perfect. All right, talk to us.
I apologize. Someone walked to my office.
Not at all. We've got
All
Mullen
right.
on the screen. I just want you to explain what we're talking about with the options.
All right. So you have right now the options for Mullen that will expire today. You have 32,000 or more contracts open to expire today at the 250. The premium is 25 cents.
Right.
If it goes anything at 250 or above 250, it will expire in the money. So people will be making so much money out of that. The $1 call has so many open contracts at the same time. With that being said, also they will expire in the money. Now, generally, mistakes in options, and this is my personal opinion, I'm not a financial advisor, it's you avoid buying stock options, buying the stock on the call options when they're going to expire in the money. What does that mean? When you buy stock options and it's in the money, if your call options expire in it, you end up paying a higher price to purchase the stock than what you would have paid if you bought the stock outright. You also will lose out on the commission that you have paid to buy the stock option, because they all charge commission, including Robinhood. You pay fees. That's why you see some of the screenshots I send you, you'll see fees, $40, $80, $100 for stock options. And you will lose and the option premium cost. So why people want to keep that stock option open and not and buy the stock versus selling the stock option itself? Now, in theory, that will work correct. It will go probably $4, $5 for the stock if people go ahead and start buying the stock itself versus selling the stock options. If they sell the stock options, it's not going to help the stock to go up. But if all these contracts that are going to expire in the money buy the stock, so you have that will increase the price dramatically. And generally, that does not happen with my own experience or with my own knowledge. That does not happen in this case. You might not see the volume that you're looking for to increase the price. So the price is going to keep fluctuating. Probably with my analogy, that's my own, it's probably between 225, 225, 235, 215, 220. I don't know if it'll hit 190. I haven't done the math exactly to see how much money they will lose in the puts or calls and what range the stock has to be in order for the stock options to start going down in value. So if you look at the stock option right now for the 250, which was 0.25 yesterday, I haven't looked at it yet. We won't be able to see it till after 9 o'clock and see how much people lost in reality in the 250. There's a lot of losses in the stock options could happen, and people might exercise their right to sell the stock option itself instead of buying the stock. If people wanted to buy the stock, they would have bought it yesterday. They would have bought it the night before. You don't wait till the day of the expiration. If their intention when they open the contracts, the call contracts on that stock option, on that stock, they would have bought the stock yesterday, not wait till today.
Got you.
Does that make sense to you?
It does.
And now talking about this, I could go a little bit further, which is it's also like you take the European style options, they expire on the third Thursday of the month. In the US, they expire. It used to be completely different. It used to be monthly. Now they have weekly, and they have ones they expire in 4 days, 3 days, 5 days. It made it so much pressure on the stock options, where it's always stock is fighting against you when there's so many open contracts. Some people say, oh, there's so many open contracts. There's about 50,000 open contracts. And that's a lot. It means the stock going to go up 100%. That's not there's no fact, there's no truth to it. If that's true, we all be millionaires, because we'll go to every stock that has so many open contracts going to expire today or next Friday, and we'll buy calls or we'll buy puts. It depends on which one has the higher. And this is what's going around for the past couple of days. Is saying there's so many calls versus puts in Mullen. So they translate in that into that the stock gonna skyrocket. Somebody knows something, but they're gonna expire today. There's no time to know anything. It's gonna take time for Mullen. I like Mullen. I don't like. There's a reason why Mullen went down from $14, $15 to pennies. People say, some people say, and I'm sorry, I'm not prepared. I'm just speaking my mind, and I'm sure it's not easy when you're on a channel and speaking your mind. You probably say things. You gotta be careful. Some people will say, why, if it was at 15, it will go back to 15. That's not true. That's not fact. I will look, my philosophy, the way I analyze things, I want to know first why it went down from 15 to pennies. That's the first thing I'll look into, not if it was at 15, it's going to go back to 15. Now, I'll go back and start researching from the time it was 14 or 15 till today and read the news, not all the news, the major news, and see what caused that stock to drop, to go down. Now, I'll start seeing, is there's any potential in that company to get back, or that company soon gonna bankrupt? So with that being said, I start looking into the CEO, for example. The CEO doesn't have engineering degree. The CEO is not from the EV market. These are negative things about Mullen right now. Is Mullen going down? It's not. They started very early comparing to others and in the EV industry, and now the EV industry is taking off. So there's possibility they could be taken over, bought by another company. This is the hottest time for EV stocks, and that's where you see more and more people getting interested in it, and more small retailers, not big companies, because big companies will never touch the stock unless it's over $5. So the retailers are jumping in it because the price is too low, and they thinking since every other stock in the EV industry is way up there, it's easy for this stock to go up to $10, $15. Now, in reality, we need to find out what Mullen is doing, what's their plan for this year, for 2022, what they're going to change compared to last year. They're going to increase they're going to start making profit, make more production and more sale for us to pull the trigger and buy that stock. Right now, it's hyped up and down, and retailers playing with it, which is fine. Nothing wrong with the hype if you can make money out of it. But for the fundamentally, we need to know where's the fundamentals. Is anyone buying fundamentals now? I don't think so.
No.
There's no fundamentals available right now. It doesn't mean you're not going to make money in it. I'm not saying if somebody owns the stock and double their money or triple their money, nothing wrong with that. But what's the fundamentals? What's next? What's Mullen doing right now? Yesterday we were in the news on Yahoo Finance the other day. Then they skyrocketed, went to $1.40 and some change, because Yahoo Finance, there's a lot of trending. It's a lot of social media getting attention of it, like they did with the GameStop, they did with AMC. And this is where right now you see all that hype, the fluctuation in the price. And people tending to learn more and more, and it looks like more and more retailers, not companies, again, not institutions, getting, well, wow, I could buy this, it will go back to 15, not knowing what the company does exactly, not knowing the fundamentals of the company. And it's a plus for whoever invested in it and bought it for 60 cents, 40 cents, not for the people who bought it for $15. God knows it will ever see $15, but we don't know unless major things happen with the company. Then yes, we could see $50, $100, $500. We have no clue what's going to happen in the future, as long as we don't have any news about the company. Right now, it's a company that started in 2014, started in California, and there's no news coming out about the fundamentals, what's next, what's the plan. If you look at Polestar, GGPI, Polestar, you look at Tesla, you look at Rivian, you look at all these companies, NIO, everyone has a goal. They have what they're going to achieve in 2021. They were going to achieve in this year and this year. And this is where the price of the stock is determined by 6 times or 12 times of the value of it right now. But the market cap of MULN is only $36 million as of like 4 or 5 days ago. I haven't checked for the past 3 days. $36 million.
Yeah.
How a company at $36 million?
You can't build cars for $36 million, can you?
Correct. I mean, what's $36 million for a company?
Can't even build you can't even build a part of a factory.
No, you cannot. That's true.
Moose, we've got just 2 minutes before the bell goes. I'm going to have to push you on it because
Absolutely.
we're looking at the screen right now, 225. I've got my option call, so I'll lose maximum $100. So a minute, it will sell at 206. Where do you think it's going right now? I understand everything you said about fundamentals. I'm right with you, but what's your gut feeling? Is it going to pop up or is it going to go down? Because it's all going to happen in the next couple of minutes.
With me personally, and I could be wrong. I'm more wrong than right. You know me, and this is talking about me buying stock options, because the stock option is available for me to buy today, even for next week, right, or the week after. For me, since it's expiring today, I'm the type I will avoid that stock today, because if it goes over 250, you're making millionaires out there. The 25 cents could go up to 50 cents. That's 100% increase. And from what I had seen for years, it's almost impossible for a company without fundamentals to push over the 250 or 275. There's so much money involved in the stock option, in the prop. So I could see it lingering below the 250, probably in the 235, 230, 220, 210. This is where it will be probably all day, and then maybe after hours, there's possibility it will break to 250.
All right, Moose, right? I've got to call you on it. We've got 40 seconds to go. Thank you ever so much for calling in. You're always a treasure to have on the show. Everyone loves you. Everyone appreciates you. Would everyone show some love in the super chat? Sorry, would everyone show some love in the live chat for Moose, who's soon going to bring out his own YouTube channel? Moose, I've got to let you go. I'll speak to you in a bit.
Absolutely. Thank you for having me.
Pleasure. Martyn. Always.
Love you guys.
Right. Love you too, Moose. There we go. There we go. There's Moose, everybody. Absolutely awesome. What a great guest he is to have on the show. Thank you ever so much, Moose. Right, we got 10 seconds to go. Here we go. What's going to happen? The bell is going right now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we are off. What is going to happen right now? All right, MULN is down 227. Where's it going to go? Keep your eye on the stock. It's going to be very, very exciting. As you said, no fundamentals whatsoever. Purely speculation. Right, we're moving up. We're pushing up over there on TikTok. Join us here. The S&P is starting to rise. And we're starting to get the Vanguard S&P move up. MULN is 225. I could be out of this in seconds. I could be out of this in a few seconds. It's going to sell at $2.06, which is not much left now. Not much left. It's got to go up before the trailing stop loss moves up with it. Right now, it's all 222, 221. This could sell very quickly. The markets are open. Where are we going to go? Where are we going to go? I would love to stay in it because I know that worst case scenario, I'm losing $100. Worst case scenario. If I sell now, I'm up $60. Even though I'm down 155, I've already made 210. So if I sell right now, I'm up in the money. But for the sheer fun of it, worst case scenario, let's stay in. Worst case scenario, I lose $100 at 206. Okay? It will sell at 206. We're watching it very, very closely. Where's it going to go? We'll find out. It's going to be quite quick, 226. Is it going to start moving? As you heard from Moose, I have to agree 100% with what Moose has said. There's no fundamentals. He's said that a stock with no fundamentals, very unlikely to go over 250. So let's see where this goes. We could hit a ceiling now and it just go back to nothing. And he's absolutely right. When you buy into a stock, the first thing you want to do is see why it dropped from $15 down to pennies. And that information is unavailable. There's no reason why. And it just shows you that at the moment, it's all being hyped. And there's loads of talk on Reddit at the moment. Loads and loads of it. And as Moose said, It's an opportunity to make money purely from speculation and gambling. It is pretty much gambling right now. All right. And also what Muzana said, how can you build a company for $37 million? You can't even build the factory to make the cars. They have to borrow money. They have to get in debt. Of course, then interest rates have gone up. And their big claim to fame right now is they are going to be the company with solid state batteries. Do you think Elon Musk and Tesla is going to let somebody do solid state batteries which are better than the lithium and stand by and let it happen? Of course not. Of course not. They're going to do it if it's better for the car, more profit, better performance, they will of course get in. All right, so I can't see Elon Musk being left behind. All right, here we go. 222. Where's it going to go? 224. I'm holding it. I'd love to see it go up so it raises my stop loss. 227. 228. It will sell at 206. I will lose $100 if it does. Overall, lose $100 because I made 210 yesterday. Massive shout out to Muzanella, who's starting his own YouTube channel soon, and we'll all support that, of course. 230, Alex Hunt, there we go. 230, it's hit 230. 230, here we go. I'm just down 4% on this position. But remember, I've already made 210 on the earlier position. Where's it going to go? It will sell at 206. At the moment, the stop trading loss is 206. It might push up once we get up a little bit. 230. We're watching it very closely. It's very, very exciting. I mean, it's great to be in. It's great to be part of the game. MULN is down 9.8% today, 2.20, but that's old news now. I was just reading that for the old news. That was already happened. MULN 226, 227. My stop trading loss now is 201. It will sell at 201. I'm going to refresh that screen because it's saying 206. Let me refresh that. 201 it will sell at. So I've got a bit of room. I've given myself 13%. 228. Let's check it. Yeah, 201. It will sell at 201. So I've got plenty of room. Now, normally, I was looking at this as well. I was looking at this when a stock is hyped like this. When a stock is hyped and it makes like Yahoo Finance, it makes a bit of YouTube, it makes a bit of Reddit, and so on and so forth. By the time it's made that news, it's on YouTube, that's at the end of the run. That is at the end of the run. Normally, these things can happen over a couple of weeks, 10 days, sort of maximum, really. Now, we've had a week or so of this now. So it's approaching the end, and once it's appeared on TV and it's done its thing on YouTube, that is now the end. And like Moo said, 250 would be very, very unlikely to break that, especially with a company with 37 million market cap and no fundamentals. So we might be at the top of it all now, for now. So let's see where it goes. Very, very excited. If you just tuned in, we're trying to get 30 likes. We want to get to 30 likes because we're giving a cash giveaway today. It's Friday. We always do it. We've got our poll coming up shortly about when we do our fundraiser for Zach. Give us a thumbs up. We've got 25 likes. We need 30 likes before the bell goes. Very, very exciting stuff. Let's see how we're moving on the channel. 2,406 subscribers. We've gained 6 subscribers this morning. Everyone's excited about this MULN. Very, very exciting. I must admit, I'm also very excited about it. In fact, I'm going to go in and change... in fact, I don't know why I didn't do it, actually. Change the title of the video. It should be Trading Mullen. All right. Mullen. M-U-L-N. Mullen. Not keep saying Mullen. MULN live trading. There we go. MULN live trading. 235. It's pushing up. It hasn't pushed my money up yet, though. My stop loss is still down there. MULN live trading. That'll do. Okay, let's see if anybody searches for that. All right, there we go. Just catch the trend. Good morning, everyone. Welcome, welcome, welcome to you, mate. How are you? There we go. The numbers are going up already. The moment I change the title of the video, people are searching for Mullen right now. Always a top tip there. If you're a YouTuber, you want to make sure that you are producing content that people are searching for. Remember, YouTube is Google, and Google is just a search engine. It's simple as that. No one is searching for you. They're searching for what they're interested in. Always remember that. It's always important to do that. Okay. 232. We're watching it. The stop trading loss now. Let me have a look. Where's it gone to now? It's 207. It's moved up to 207. Okay. It's 207 now. Nice. 201 has now come to 207. So very soon I will start to be in the money for the second time on it. I actually didn't expect that, to be perfectly honest. I was prepared to lose $100 on it. But that's okay. I'm glad with that now. That's nice. A little bonus. 233. What's it going to do? We're watching it very closely. If you've just come on in, William Karam is here. Bill is here. Zach is here. We've got the cash giveaway coming up. Alex is now saying, Nudge It Budget Move It is now saying 235. That's obviously what he is seeing. We're seeing the numbers coming at slightly different moments, but there we go. We're watching it now, 233. I'm going to check the volume on it right now. Here is the volume today. Today's volume is, let me have a look. Today's volume is 26 million. The average volume is 241 million. So the average is 26 million so far today. Average is 241 million. So the volume is low, and you don't want that. You want high volume, but it is only 9 minutes into the main market. So, you know, we can probably excuse that for a moment. But an hour from now, we'll check on that. Because remember, the busiest time is the morning. So we'll come back on that. We're watching it 230. Now my position is moving up. Very, very exciting stuff right now. 230. It's holding 29. Now it will sell now. We now know it will sell. The loss will go 207. You can hit that in a second, by the way. Watching it. Fusion 301. Tesla looking good. Let's look at Tesla right now. Tesla is up 0.5% today. The SoFi is up today, 1.1. Root is up 2.49. Mullen just holding at 229. VU is up, down very, very slightly, but I'm up 4.5% on it already. My overall portfolio, let's have a look. We're not quite green. We're just slightly down today at the moment. We're green now. There we go, 41.6. We're up slightly. Okay, Mullen is holding at 231. We're moving up. It's very, very exciting. It's great to be back in again. We're watching it very, very closely now. Where's it going to go? 231. This is very exciting stuff. Okay, let me bring in the chat. Who's live with us right now? Deep in the Money is here. Tesla's looking good from Fusion 01. Martin, have you been using your Truth Social account? Any opinions on it? Got loads of opinions on it. Do you want to hear about my Truth Social opinions? Oh, really? You want to get me started? Truth Social. Oh dear. I have got Truth Social. It's the OK Corral. Right now, it's the OK Corral. Everyone's following everyone. Pointless. No one's commenting. Everyone's just following everyone because everybody wants to be famous, because they want to be the first on it. And I've got people every few seconds following me, not even commenting, not even getting involved. It's completely pointless. I'll explain why in a minute. I'll show you all the ins and outs of it. I've got 3 accounts on it, but it's crazy. I posted my event yesterday about the what do you call it? My event for Ukraine, and everyone followed me. Everyone clicked the like button. So everyone was like trying to get involved, and not one person came in and watched it. It's just everybody wants the free, easy like and click. Think it's going to grow them. I mean, there are people on there with no content, none whatsoever. An unknown person, not a verified account, and they've got like 10,000 people following them already. They're also following 10,000 themselves. So all they're doing is they're sitting on there. Unlike Twitter and Facebook and all these other things where you can't follow unlimited numbers because it would just be spammy. It's completely spammy. Everyone is just clicking like and following everyone. It's a bit like the OK Corral. Everybody wants to get everyone following everyone, so it's a bit ridiculous. It's a bit ridiculous. Like I've always said, engagement is everything. Cheap likes, cheap subscribers means absolutely nothing. Good morning, BLK, Khaled. Good morning, Believer Bubble. Let me bring everybody here. I'm popping in and out this afternoon, but hello to everyone. Nice to have you here. The other day on the train, we asked you to share the audience. Apparently the whole carriage was singing me happy birthday, and as I asked you to come on camera, I think we lost you. I don't know if you were doing it or you lost signal or what happened there, but it was quite an exciting moment where we were all on tenterhooks thinking, is the whole crowd on the train going to come in? Anyway, right. We're up now, 1.41. We've now hit 42,000. 42,000. Very, very quickly. We've got to hear very, very quickly from our sponsor. Be right back in 10 seconds from now. Hang on a minute. Ads. I got a new message from YouTube. Ads and live streams. Ads and live streams place ad requests won't always be fulfilled, not always, and not all viewers will see an ad when they won't pause or stop your audio video. Okay, I got that. All right, I got it. Did you show my ads requested? Oh, I have no idea what happened there. YouTube has posted a new comment. That's confusing. Right, Mullen, let's go back to it. It's firing off. I'm in it. Everyone's getting excited about it today. It looks like 2:39. Right, I'm in the money. Now then. Hi, Mike. Yeah, the carriage was singing to you, and I dropped my phone. And oh no! Oh no! He dropped his phone and broke it. Oh, look at that. There was a most amazing, beautiful thing was happening, and it was YouTube Gold. Would have been the best video I've ever had, and it cost him his phone. He broke his phone. Oh no! Seriously? Oh, you broke your phone? What? Completely broke it? Oh no! That's awful. I feel terrible now. Oh bloody hell! Right, 1.69. We're firing off on all cylinders now. Vanguard is moving up. We are up 4%. Mullen is up. Wow, 241. Look at this, folks. Mullen is exploding again today. Mullen is taking off again right now. Look at this. Mullen is up again today. We got back in it. We just had a live discussion with Muzanella discussing the options. Don't feel bad. I got a new phone out of it. Oh, okay. Well, how did that happen then? Did you get some sort of insurance or what happened there? Right. Wow. Look at this. 211 now. My stop trading lot is 211. Wow. I'm actually going to make money on it a second time. Wow. I'm amazed. I'm amazed. I'm absolutely amazed by this, folks. 241. Well, who'd have thought it? Is it going to go green? Look at this, everybody. Unbelievable what we're seeing right now. You just heard everything from Muzanella. I stand by everything he said. Totally agree. This is all hype and rock and roll and fun. Yeah, phone insurance for accidental damage. Oh, brilliant. I need some phone insurance. I'd love a new iPhone. Do you get the latest one or do you get the same one? Hi all. Out with the dogs again. Ali, look at Mullen. It's exploding again today. Mullen is exploding. Can't believe it. It's exploding again today. We've had Muzana call in live on the show, and the fundamentals, like we talked about, are non-existent. This is all hype. This is all rock and roll. This is all crazy. This is all speculative gambling. But what you do is you run a stop trading loss alongside it to protect yourself. If you just tuned in, subscribe, ring the bell. We need 30 likes. We need 2 more likes this morning. 2 more likes. If Mullen gets to 248, I'm selling half. Hi, Ali. Good morning from Zach. I don't have any Mullen. Can't get in on my broker. Ali, I'm so sorry about that. 240. My trading loss is just going up. Is now at 211. 211. I keep refreshing the screen. It's 211. Let's have a look at it now. It's moving up yet. 211. Root is up 6%. We've got some other breaking news now. Vanguard, the VOO is moving up. The portfolio today is up 1.72. So that means we're up on the day, we're up on the week by 14%, we're up on the month by 6%. We are very close now, 8%, I say 8%, very close, 8%. Let me get that in focus. That better? That's better. Now we're in focus. I woke the camera up a little bit. I've got Root. Root, let's have a look at it. Root is up 6% today. Phenomenal. I'm up 16% on Root. SoFi is up 4%. Tesla is up 1%. Wow. Unbelievable. What about SPCE? SPCE, 1% today. It's gone through $9. Gone through $9 now. 909. I'm up 20% on Virgin Galactic now. It's worth $9 grand. 11% of my portfolio will need to be trimmed very, very soon. Amazon has moved up. Twitter is up 3%. Nvidia is up 3%. Wow, we're seeing some growth today. We're seeing some huge growth. So how does that compare? What about SPCE? We just covered that one. I'll do it again for you, though. See, Bitcoin. Bitcoin and Ethereum are not the things to be in right now. There's more money to be made with stocks and shares right now. It's why I sold all my Rivian and all my crypto. What about SPCE? It's at 908. Back to Mullen right now. 241. 244. It's gone green. 245. Here it goes, look. 246. Right, what is the volume now on Mullen? The volume now on Mullen is, let me bring it to you now. The volume on Mullen is 40 million. 40 million. It's a third. 4812. Yes, it's a third of its average in the first 20 minutes. So that's what we want. Now my average is moving up. Now my stop sell is at 214. So now I'm going to be in the money at 214. I think no matter what happens now, I'm in the money again. Ladder forming on the ask side of Mullen. Who wants to see the level 2? Level 2 on Mullen. Here is the order book. There it is. If you want to see it, I'll bring it to you now. Just request it. Anybody that's a member, if you want to see my... You just muted yourself a second. Hang on. News. Let me mute that. How was that coming through? Where was that coming through? Anyway, whatever. That's a bit bizarre. That was about half an hour ago. Anyway, if any of my members ever wants to see a stock with level 2, just ask me, members only, and I'll bring up level 2. This is a service that you pay for. It's $5 a month to have this service for Robinhood Gold, but that gives me margin as well. But there you go. I don't use it. I don't believe in it. I think it's very manipulative. The market makers try to hide a lot of stuff. You look at it and think, okay, the stock's going up, stock's going down. Doesn't really tell you enough. in my opinion. You might disagree with me. You can see, look, at 240, we got an order for 37,000. Can you see it on the screen? 137 at 240, 137,000 orders at 240. That's why the stock, you would think, is going up. All right, it's very difficult. Look, that would imply the stock is going up. All right, and it's going to continue going up. That is live data, level 2. As you can see now, people are buying in 245. Now, Mullen made a very good point today about the fact that it's very unlikely to go over 250 without fundamentals. What is happening now is just Reddit and crazy OK Corral speculative investing. That's all we are witnessing right now. What we're witnessing now is people trying to get rich quick, because if you've bought this in, I mean, remember, a few days ago, this was a penny stock. This was like 20 bucks, 20 cents. Was it 35, 40 cents, something like that, a few days ago. Imagine if you've got 1,000 or 2,000. It's like buying Shiba Inu. It's like buying a joke coin or something like that. And then it goes up like 5,000%, you know. It's one of those situations. We're at 35% on the week. We're up 255%. So think of that for a minute. Think of that for a minute. If you put some serious money in this, you are probably a millionaire now. What about space? We've looked at that one. That messages has just come in from deep in the money. SPCE is now 911. The overall portfolio is now, let me go back. The overall portfolio is now up 1.88 today, 1.85. On the week, we're up. On the month, we're up. And we're heading now for the best on 3 months. Just $4,000 to go, and we'll be up there. Very, very exciting stuff. Look at this. Look at these last few days. All this. This took 3 months to lose, and this is like 2 days. 3 days, maybe 4 days. Back to MULN right now. 250. It's broke 250. It's now 251. This was the magic number that Mullen was talking about. This doesn't happen. This doesn't happen on stocks with no fundamentals. Remember, it's just a multi-million-dollar market cap. It's not a billion-dollar market cap. I bought at 78 cents. Ryan Mullen, I bet you must be absolutely jumping up and down. You bought at 78 cents. Wow. So what are you doing? If I was you, this is not financial advice, I would set a stop trading loss so it keeps on going, but you allow it to drop a certain amount and then you're out. Don't just let it ride forever and ever and don't sell it. This is like Bitcoin or Dogecoin or any of those things right now, which could spike up to 100,000, like in Bitcoin's case, and then go to zero in a moment. Don't get caught with your trousers down, for God's sake. Don't lose all your money. Don't need fundamentals. Mine will now sell at 223. 223. So the average is rising up now. Just be very, very careful. So I shouldn't sell yet. I would just, stop loss is the way. Just set your stop loss. And the way I look at stop losses, and I've made a few mistakes on it because I haven't allowed enough. But remember though, if you over allow the swing, it would all crash back down, right? So you can't allow too much. You can't go, well, I'll have a stop trading loss of 50% because you'll just keep going down and you'll just keep going into negative territory all the time. Go buy yourself a nice new yacht, Ryan. Yeah, there you go. So what I tend to do is I look at the swings, measure all these swings and go, okay, these are all 10% swings. Okay, so it generally does a 10% swing. I'm just giving an example, right? An average, right? And you go, okay, 10%, 10%, 10%. I'm going to set 12, 13, 14%. Remember, you've got to allow a little bit because the market makers, that little penny in between. So you do that, then it can move up and down with the average as it's moving up. Because, you know, we were told today this could go to $5 today. Peru Invest told us this could go to $5 today. Now, if that is the case, my 2.5 grand is going to make 2.5 grand today. I am going to be a very, very, very happy man if that happens. But I would feel pig sick if it goes down to 0. So just set yourself, look at the average swings and go slightly above that and set that, and then just let it ride. Let it ride. If it keeps going up, your average is going up all the time. If it starts to drop, you've got a bit of protection, and then you're out. So there you go. That's the way I would look at it. If you've just tuned in, subscribe and ring the bell. Ali Isles is angry because he can't buy it. I'm so mad I can't get any. I bet. I know. Hey, Ali, give me $1,000. I'll buy it for you. Apparently that's illegal. Apparently you're not allowed to do that. But anyway, subscribe and ring the bell. It's 262. I'm Michael. Right, we've got the cash giveaway coming up soon. We've also got the poll when we're going to do Zach's fundraiser. And I say next Friday, right after the cash draw. That's what I say we do. Let's have a look. Peru has some inside trading. I love it. Peru is one of our guests. He does know things. He's been right. Now I'm measuring it. 95% of the time. 95% of the time. Right. Space is either going to 15 or back to 8. Look at that. 924. I can't keep up with how much money we're making right now. Remember though, folks, you've made no money until you sell this stuff. We could go back right where we started from, and how do you feel about that? Right, we're up 3%, we're up 15%, we're up 7%, we're just 3 grand now down. SEV is up 5%. Every single stock is up, and I will tell you why it's up. I've been sat here now for 9.5 months, 8 hours a day for 9.5 months. I can see patterns, right? And I'm going to tell you why everything is up today. Why everything has been up for a week. I'll tell you why. Right. When I started, let me just get the comments in. PayPal flying. Everything is flying. It doesn't really matter now what you buy, to be honest. And the reason for it is quite simple. The reason is simple. Look at my portfolio. This is what happened. We had steady growth. Really good, really good, really good. And then we had at the end of the year, we had all the sell-offs because of tax. People did not want to pay their tax bill. Remember that? Hang on, let me just change that. There we go. Everyone started to sell off because of their tax, right? And then we had a resurgence of COVID. Then we had the war. And then we had all of this uncertainty. Everyone was selling out. Everyone was now starting to buy into Bitcoin, thinking that was going to work. And that didn't work. And you can see that, look, Bitcoin's down today. It's the only thing that's down, look, right? And I was in it, even Ethereum, everything, right? People then started to buy into that. That didn't make any money because of all the influence online. Now we're getting the good news that the war is maybe coming to an end. I'm not saying it's coming to an end, but we've got Ukraine whipping the asses of Russia. Russia is now being taken off the world stage. Vladimir Putin is bankrupting his country. And the rest of the world is going to be stronger for it. And it's all about confidence. People now think the war might be being won by Ukraine. So they're all excited about that. People are buying back into the market. So all you're getting is people buying in because we had an oversale. Now look, Mullen is starting to drop. Now that's why you set your stop limit. Because you don't want to just sell it the moment it glitches like that, because that could mean it's about to go up again. But you want to just give it a little bit, so you've got a little bit of movement there. Now mine will sell. It's going up again. It will now sell. Let's have a look. It will sell at 228. 228. What I don't want to do is just suddenly sell it the moment it blips. Because this sort of stock is out of control and it could go to $5. And no one knows where this is going to go. So I want to be in it because it's fun to be in it. It's exciting, right? But I've given myself a 13% drop. So it'll go at 228. So I'll still be in the money at that point. But it's going up again, 256. And that will keep rising. That will keep rising as it rises again. Look, 256. There it goes again. Ukraine will never stop fighting. Then they're not going to give up. That's right. I've calculated, Martin, I'll be at 100,000 in July sometime. I've calculated Martin will be at 100,000 in July sometime. You've done a calculation? What calculation is that? I want that calculator. Whatever that calculator that you've got right there, I want it. Right, we got 33 likes. If you've just tuned in, subscribe, ring the bell. Let's get a record number of likes today. Let's get it today. This is a very exciting day. Mullen is not investing. This is gambling. I'm not a gambler. Hence why I have added my stop trading loss. I can't lose money. So that isn't gambling. Gambling would be watching it go up without a stop trading loss and hoping for the best. That's gambling. This is a gamble game, I have to be honest, but I'm not gambling because I've set my insurance, and I agree Martin has the hot hand. Right, there we go. Let's have a look at it. Let's have a look. It's 49.9. We're up 3% now. We're up 16% on the week. Did you hear what I just said? 16% on the week. 16% on the week. Right, we are up 8% on the month. On the 3 months now, we're just $3,000 down. Just $3,000 down for being up on the 3 months. That would be phenomenal. Right, the Vanguard S&P is now pushing up. Mullen is dropping back now. 252, 251, hovering around. It will sell. It will sell at the current price is 228. I've got a 13% swing. Now, what I might do, if this continues, if this gets to 260, 270, I will give a bigger swing. I will allow maybe a 15% swing because I'll still be up, right? Mullen is a blip. Mullen, it doesn't make any sense, right? We're just playing, we're having fun, but we're protecting our losses, all right? It's going again. Root is now 10% today. SoFi is 4.5% today. Tesla, 2.5%. We are going to $900 on Tesla today. 33 likes if you just tuned in. The record number of likes today, the record number of likes on the channel is 59 likes. Let's break an all-time record. Let's go to the subscribers. How are we doing right now? 2,406 subscribers. We've gained 6 today during the show. That's very exciting. Mullen, let's have a look. What's going on the channel? 69 people have come through the show so far. 69 views, not bad at all. 31 watching. Most people are sticking with me because we've got the cash giveaway. I called that gap up on Tesla. 895. Will it go to 900 today? Probably. 3.8 now up. We're up $1,500. Lucid is up 5%. Lucid is now making money. Look, today we're up 5%. This is absolutely phenomenal. This really, though, let's get it in context. I really want to balance this out. We've now 256 on Mullen. It's just hit a new record. Look, all we're doing is getting back where we should have been before the war started, right? Now, remember, it's the same as when you do exercise and you train your muscles. When you train, let me get the focus. There we go. My camera's a bit slow today. Look at that. When you train your muscles and get fit and then you stop, it's called muscle memory. It comes back quicker than when it was when you first did it. Same with this. When I grew this portfolio over 5 months and then the last 3 months it dipped like this, is because of the war and outside factors. These companies here are bigger than they were here. They've got more profits. They're doing better. They fix more problems because I invest in tech stocks that fix problems, right? Breaking news, 260 at Mullen. 260 at Mullen. I apologize. 260. We've just set a new record. We are now going to close at, is it 228? We're now, the stop trading loss, let me have a look, 228. It's now going to close at, 228. It's still 228. We'll come back to it in a second, and it will probably be even higher. Mize 1000, level 2. Level 2. Level 2, I only show for members who request it. If any of my members request level 2, For any stock, I will show it to you. You have to be a member for that. I don't just do it for anyone that comes in. If you want to be a member, here it is. Is the invitation to join. Here's the invitation to join. And lots of benefits. Ask any of our members, whatever level you invest in to be a member, you get back 10 times. Everybody will tell you that. Fundraiser events. We've raised over $1 million on the Martyn Lucas channel, the music channel. This is the main music channel. Best become member, peeps. Yep. If you want all the extra perks, you need to be a member to the show and ask anyone why they're a member, and they will all tell you that you get a lot out of being a member. I've just realized something. Why is my screen up there? That's a bit bizarre. What's going on there? Let me move that. How did that get up there? How did my trading screen get all the way up there? Right, let me fix that. No one told me my trading screen had moved. Why did no one tell me my trading screen had moved? Right, no idea how that happened. Right, that's better. Right, Mullen. Back to it again. My bad, I had level 2. Just asking. Check it. Yep. No worries indeed. I've got it here. I've got level 2 all the time on hand. Mizzy 1000, welcome to the channel. Click subscribe, ring the bell. Let us know you're here. Where are you from, Mizzy? Let's all welcome Mizzy 1000 into the chat. My name is Martyn Lucas, voted by Sir Elton John as the World Piano Man. This is my TV studio. We're live on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and multiple websites. And by daytime, I like to trade. And we've got a great community, one of the best communities on YouTube. These guys are with us every day. I became a member because Martyn said there would be free beers. There's lots of free stuff. I don't remember giving beer away, though. Right, Mullen is now on fire again, 266. Wouldn't help if autocorrect would spell properly. Enjoying the show from New York. New York, welcome, welcome, welcome. Martyn, give out free beers. Do you know what? I could do that. I'm looking for a sponsor from Budweiser. I'm talking to a sponsor from Budweiser right now, and I could send people beers. That's one thing I could do for the members. All right, let's see if we can get a new member. We've got the cash giveaway for our members coming up very, very soon. Very, very soon. All right, day trader of the day. It's now time. Very, very quickly, everybody refresh your screen. Here we go with a quick ad. Skip the ad. I'll be right back in 10 seconds from now. We're back, and I've requested an ad. Right, all right. I've got this new thing happening on YouTube, which I don't really understand, but anyway, it's a bit weird. Right, 33 likes. We're trying to get a record likes today. The record likes was, I just read it out 5 seconds ago. Record likes is, where is it? I can't even see it anymore. I'm going blind. I just read it out. What did I say it was? It is 59 likes. There we go. We're at 33 likes right now. Mullen is now 260. 260. The stop trading lot, 231. 231 now is my stop trading loss. So I'm going to be in the money regardless of what happens. We're going to make money regardless what happens. Welcome, Mizzy. Everybody welcome Mizzy in. Right, in a few minutes' time, we've got the cash giveaway for all our members. Every Friday, we give away money. Here it is. Here are, you can still be a member. If you've not joined yet, click in the browser the invitation I'm going to give you right now to become a member. You get lots of perks, bronze, silver, gold, or sponsorship level. We've got sponsors who give stuff away and promote their businesses. You can be a member as a bronze member if you want, and you'll be in the cash prize draw coming up. These are all the members. We'll add you right up to the moment that we do the draw if you want to be in. All right. Let's do day trader of the day. Mullen is now 263. 263. We've gained another subscriber. 2,406 subscribers, 6 today during the show. Very exciting. Hi, Dave. Is Dave Mottram here? Dave Mottram here. There he is. Shall we put Dave Mottram on the screen? Who wants to see Dave Mottram? Who wants to see Dave Mottram? Here he is. Here is, ladies and gentlemen, here is Dave Mottram. There he is. Moaning Dave is in the house. Great to see you, Dave. He's always here for the cash giveaway. You can bank on him like you can bank on The bank. I'm trying to think of a thing that you can bank on. So I decided to go bank on the bank. All right, okay, let's get rid of Dave because he's spoiling my image right now. Let me go back to the trading screen. There we go. Bring it back in. I've got to fix this TikTok thing today. It's flaring out my cameras. All right, 260 now. 260 on Mullen. Hi, Zach. Right, now then. This is what we're going to do. I'm making an executive decision. I'm being like the President of the United States of America. I'm making an executive order. I'm deciding without even asking anyone. I'm just going to go for it and make a decision. I'm going to be convicted. I'm going to be decisive. I'm going to be like, I am the boss. It's my show and I'm going to do it. If anyone becomes a member, this is what happens. Subscribe or do a super chat. And we now have a new service for members. If you want to request a song, you can have a song live in the show at the end of the show. I'll do that for you for a super chat. If you want to pick a song, if you just want to celebrate your day. Tesla hitting 900 resistance, 897. There it is. It's your show, Martin. You're damn right. It's my show. So I'm going to been away this week and have been having chemo. Dave Mottran's been having chemo. Bloody hell, Dave. That doesn't sound very good, mate. Have you got bloody hell, how do I say this sensitively and how do I say it? Dave, you having chemo? We know why people have chemo, right? Are you not well, mate? Because if you're not, we want to know about it. We want to know. This is your family, right? We want to know about it. Tell us all about it. Sending best wishes to you, Dave. Dave, hope you feel better, mate. You've been having chemo? Bloody hell, Dave. Yes, I have non-Hodgkin low-grade lymph... Oh, bloody hell, Dave. Right. Come on, everybody. You know what you got to do. And if one person doesn't do it, I'm going to ban you from the channel. You ready? If you don't do this right now, I'm going to ban you from the channel. Okay? I'm going to ban you from the channel. I want get well Dave or any loving message you can think of in the chat right now. Copied and paste at least 10 times. If I notice you haven't done it, I'm going to ban you from the channel because we are a family and we support. And Dave is not well. So if you want to remain a member of this channel or involved, you've got to get well Dave 10 times. I want Dave to see every person do that. And if one person doesn't do it, I'm going to ban you from the channel. I'm not joking either because that's mate, I've always said this, we got to keep in touch with each other. You know, as we get a bigger family, we're going to hear sad news. We're going to hear sad news that upsets everybody. And we want to know about it. We want to be involved. We want to be there. We want to support you. If you need us with you in hospital next time you're doing your chemo, Dave, get on your phone. Call in with the interview screen. Call in. And we want you to be on the show. We're going to be there with you, right? We're going to be there right the way with you. Whatever happens, we're with you. There we go. I think everyone's done it. Believer Bubble's done it. There we go. Deepen the money. Dave. There you go, Dave. This is your family here, mate. This is your YouTube family. All right? And we are there with all our members. Bloody hell, Dave. Right. Get well, Dave. There you go. Look at that, Dave. You couldn't get better than that, mate. We blew up the channel for you. We blew it up. Vanguard S&P is up today. Mullen is up 268. Absolutely on fire. The chat is on fire. Chat rate is 30. Okay, I tell you what we'll do. Let's do the chat rate now. To make it easy for you guys, for the cash giveaway. Right, here we go, you ready? The chat has to go over for the cash giveaway. Let's do it early, let's do it now, because Dave's here. Let's do it for Dave. Right, The record is 234 in 6.5 minutes. Are you ready? Let's set the 15-minute clock. Are you ready? If we're going to do a cash giveaway today, we're going to do it especially now for Dave. Normally we do it a little bit later just for the money, but now we're doing it for Dave, right? We need 234. You ready? 15 minutes from now. 234. Go, go, go. Everyone, copy and paste. Get well, Dave. Anything like that. We're doing the cash. We're doing it today for Dave. All right. Let me get the music going. Come on, everybody. 14 minutes to go. Let's do it. Let me bring it up on the screen. We need... Here it is. It's already flying. This is going to be a massive one. Look at this. Here it is. Let me zoom in. It's already on 90. We're not even started and it's on 90. It's got to go through 2, 3, 4. Come on, everybody. Dave's having chemo. Work hard. Let's do it. 2, 3, 4. The moment it goes through 2, 3, 4, I'll stop it. Every single person, copy and paste. One of our original members. It might be Moaning Dave. So, you know, I mean, it is Moaning Dave after all. But Moaning Dave's having chemo. And we all know why that is. So let's blow up the chat. We normally do it for the money, but today we're doing it for Dave. And I'm going to stick to the rules. If you don't do it, I'm going to ban you from the channel. Because that's what Dave would want. Dave would say, I'm banning... Yeah, ban him. Yeah, Dave, do you feel love right now, mate? You're sitting in your house and you've got people all over the world. Right, the chat rate has slowed down. Come on, guys, you all went to sleep. We need... If we're going to do the cash giveaway, this is what we've got to do right now. Normally we do it later, but we're doing it today for Dave. So I want everyone now to go into the chat and blow it up. I don't care if you're tired. Dave's more tired than you. He's having chemo. He's got a lot more reason to be tired. Right. Don't stop. We got to get a record of 2, 3, 4. Why is it slowing down? What's going on? Everyone's not doing it. Come on, everybody. Go, 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 go. Let's go. I know what it is. Everyone's behind me by about a minute, so they're getting information behind me now. This is for the cash draw. We do it every Friday, and we only do it if we beat the record. The record is 2, 3, 4, and we're doing it today, not for the money. We're doing it today for Dave. That's why we're doing it. I'm keeping my eye on the stocks. Mullen is now 272. We're all making money. Chat rate is moving. 92. Here it goes. Come on, everybody. Get involved. Get involved. 92. It's starting to move. It's got to go to 2, 3, 4. It'll suddenly double all of a sudden. Come on, everybody. Doo-be-doo-doo. This is for Dave. Get well, Dave. Come on, everybody. Blow it up. Go, go. 110. There it goes. It's starting to go. Go, 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 go. Keep on going. Keep on going. And this is for the cash draw, but we're not doing it for the money. We're doing it for Dave. I should have started it right at the beginning. That's what I should have done, because everybody had more energy. Now they're getting tired, but we can't have that. And why 148? There it goes. And it needs everybody to play along. If everyone is playing along, we'll do it easy because we've got record numbers watching today. So everyone plays along. Our friend Dave gets a loving message. He breaks a record, and we have the cash giveaway. All right? Okay. And here we go. Don't worry about typos. 182. Here it goes. 2, 3, 4 to beat. The next minute it will go. 11 minutes. We're only 4 minutes in. This is great. It normally takes you 6.5 minutes. We're only 4 minutes in. We're 4 minutes in. Get well, Dave. Go, go, go. 182. Here we go. If you want to beat the record, it's 2, 3, 4 in 6.5 minutes, which would be when that gets down to 8.5. And we are at 10. So we're actually breaking the record twice at the moment. 182. 194. 194. There it goes. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Everyone go. Come on. 1 more minute. 194. You can do it, guys. You can do it. Look at this. Amazing stuff. in case you've just tuned in, we've got one of our members here. He's on the show every day. He's not very well. He's having chemo. We all know why you have chemo. Everyone knows what that's all about. And we're here today to blow up the chat, to help our friend. 210, here it goes. 210, 210. We're nearly there. Just one more push, and you're only 5 minutes in. What the heck is going on with what is going on here? Boom. Hang on. Oh, I've lost the screen. Hang on. Where's it gone? Where's it gone? Where's it gone? Yeah. I'll get it back. I'll get it back. Just bear with me. Here it comes. Here it comes. 116. There it is. It's just dropped back. It will go up again. We've got 1 minute left to match the record when we normally do it. 2, 3, 4. I think we've got a few people not playing along. That's what the problem is right now. That's what's happening. Come on, we can do it. We've never not done it. 228. There we go. Here we go. Come on. Go. 2, 3, 4. Everyone go for 30 seconds and it will do it. 2, 3, 4. We've got 30 seconds to beat the all-time record. We did it in 6.5 minutes, which will be 8.5. 30 seconds. 2, 3, 4. Go. Come on, guys. You can do it. 228. There it goes. 228. Go. 30 seconds. 30 seconds to go. We've never not done it. Come on. 228. The next one will be 2, 3, 4. It's got to be. If everyone plays along right now. 2, 3, 2. 2, 3, 2. Go. 2, 3, 2. Can't be closer. It can't get closer than that. 2, 3, 2. 2, 3, 2. Come on. I can't believe how close this is. 2, 3, 2. 2, 3, 2. One more second. Go. Everyone get involved. Everyone get involved now. Everyone for 10 seconds. 228. Come on. It's just 5 points away. 5 points away. Go everybody. 228 for one more minute. 228. Come on. 228. Let's do it. 228. 10 seconds. Oh. Come on. Oh, no. It was there by 2 points. Go. It was there. It was right there. It was 2, 3, 2. It was right on 2, 3, 2. It was right on 2, 3, 2. Mullen is now 275. 240. We've done it. Oh, we've done it. Oh, we've done it. Bloody hell, that was close. Oh. 240. 240. Oh my gosh, that was hard work. It gets harder every time. 240. Oh. 240. We did it. We did it, everybody. It went to 240. Congratulations. Wow. We did it. Well done, everybody. I can't believe it. We did it. Oh, God, I hate cancer so much. Yeah, we all do. There we go. That was hard work. I can see why it got hard work as well. Because some people who just tuned into the show tuned out. They wondered what was going on and they tuned out. So that's why that got hard to do. But nevertheless, we did it. I had to reload YouTube as it crashed on me. Everybody crashed. Thanks for all you guys. Look at that. We did it. Brilliant. Right. Which means we are doing the cash giveaway. Pinch of some grains just a bit. Right. Let's have a look at the portfolio now. Oh my gosh. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, look at this. We are up 3.92. 3.92 today. We are up 16.53 on the week. 8% on the... Oh, my dear me. Just $3,000 now down for the last 3 months. This is incredible. My portfolio is absolutely on fire. Everybody on TikTok, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thanks for all the follows. Let's get it. Let's get it. We've done it. We did it. You're all a bit... See, everyone's behind the party. Look at all the chat now blowing up. It looks like everyone's behind me. It's going back up again. Yeah. We've already done it. 240. We've already done it. Man. I can't believe it. I cannot believe it. We smashed it. You guys absolutely smashed it. I tell you what happened, why it seemed so difficult is because some of you are behind on the streams and you're watching behind. You're not actually up to date. So you're seeing what happened 10 minutes or 5 minutes ago. But look, I can still see the messages coming in now. So everybody refresh the screen. Yeah, everyone. I need everyone to refresh the screen. Please, I'm going to put that in the chat, please, because everyone's behind. That's why it seems so hard. Please refresh screen. You are behind. Please refresh screen. Please refresh screen and also you need to move the, hang on. Please refresh and drag time line. Right. That makes sense? All right. Smash the like, Robert. It was ages ago. See? You missed it, mine. I didn't miss anything. What did I miss? I didn't miss it. It was ages ago. You're all behind. See? You're all behind. Some of you haven't refreshed the screen. You're all behind the show. That's what's going on here. Don't come in here telling me. You're all behind. Oh, what a morning. What a morning. What a morning. All right? I just left and came back in. There you go. Did you watch the ad? Did you watch the ad? You better have watched the ad. If Dave Mottram didn't watch the ad, I'm going to ban Dave Mottram from his own show. Because today it's the Dave Mottram show. It's the Dave Mottram show. And if he didn't watch the ad, I'm going to ban him from his own show. No one's ever been banned from their own show in the history of YouTube in the whole world ever. It's not even possible. You can't be banned. You can't be banned from your own show. No one can be banned from their own show. It's not. It just isn't possible. June's just got you. Just got you. I just came back in. June's just got you. What does June mean? Who's June? You and Archibald is here. The chat is on slow mode. That's why it's not on slow mode. There's no slow mode. I don't have slow mode turned on. Serious question, Martin. Yes, go for it, Robert. Robert Durant, go for it. Serious question. I got a serious question. Yeah, just for you. Watch the ad. Bloody right. Okay. Go on then, Robert. You asked me. Serious question. What's your serious question then? Serious question. I'm waiting for here. Robert Durant's going to say about his serious question. I'm wanting to do a grand gesture for my lady, and I need your skills in the piano and singing voice. I still am in the process of song choice. Okay, I want to do a grand gesture for my lady and need your skills in the piano and singing voice. All right. Well, are you a member? I don't do it for anyone. You've got to be a member. Oh, yeah, you are a member. He's a member. Darn it, I've got to do it now. He's a member. Darn it, I've got to do it. What do you want? You let me know. Song choice. I'm going to give you this little link here. All right. This is the song choices you can choose from. All right. I've got a song list of 650 songs. So don't pick a song I can't do, because I can't do it. And that's why I use the word can't do it, because I can't do it. Right? Here is the song list, Robert Durant, in the chat right now. There you go. There are 650 songs in the list. Choose one of those songs. Don't go choosing a fancy song I've never heard of, some American country song that no one from England's ever heard of, because I'm from England and you can't just assume that I know everything that you know. I do know if we could do a live presentation or ever present it live, well, I was thinking a duo, mate. Oh, he wants to do a duo. We can do a duo. We can do a duo. We can do that. Oh, Mullen is going down, so here we go. Here is the situation with Mullen right now. We can do a duo. Oh, here we go. 264, 265. Okay, now this is where you set your limit order. My limit order is 241, so I will make money on it. No question about it, but I want to be in on the swing because it could go up to $5, $20, no one knows. If service requires payment, I can do that. Yeah, it does. It costs $1 million. $1 million. I can do that too. Right, so what? So Robert, you've got my text, haven't you? Can we, Robert Durant? Let me just double check. Have I got your text, Robert Durant? We can have a conversation about that. Let me just text you, Robert Durant. Test. I'm just sending you a text called test. Tell me if you've got it. I think you've got my number, but just double check in. That is you. I'm pretty sure it's you. I can't imagine another Robert Durant's in my thing. Robert Durant. I need to put in there the day trader in notes so I know. The day trader. There you go. Robert Durant. Done. Okay, there you go. I got it. There you go. Good. Now we can text it and we can sort it out. We can have a phone call as well if you like, and we can sort it out. But yeah, definitely do that. It's something I am planning. Great. Wonderful stuff. Wonderful stuff. Right. Not like tomorrow or anything. All right. That's good. You know me. I can do it in 3 minutes. We can do it now. Go. We should meet up and talk about details. All right, mate. That sounds good. Because you're in Dallas, just down the road from me. We could do something very, very special. Yep. Do that. Right. Now then. Have you set your stop limits? So after the show, Robert, we'll get in touch. Right, mate? Have you set your stop limit? So now you won't sell. You've given yourself a nice little cushion. This will sell at 241. 241. And my average on this one now is 238. So I'll make a bit of money, but I made $240 the first time round. This time I'll make about, what will I make about? $30 on it so far. All right, but I'd rather that and be in the game than sell it at the top now because I'm enjoying the game. It's fun. And it might go all the way up to $5. Look, 262, 263. See, now the limit has been raised. So there we go. That's the reason for doing that. Okay. It is time for cash giveaway. All right, let's make sure everybody's here. And every week at this time, we give away the money I make on the show, which is about $10 a day I make on YouTube ads. So that's what I give away. When we reach 100,000 subscribers, I'm going to give away, live on the show, $1,000 live on the show. I'm here for a cash giveaway. Yes, I am ready. Now then, if you want to be a member and be in the draw, you need to be a member. You've got just a minute or so to be a member before I do it, okay? Here's the invitation to join. I will add you right up to the last minute. If you become a member right now, I will add you in. You have to be here to be in the competition. If you're not here, then you can't be. If you're not a member, you can't win. And if you're not here, you can't win as well. All right. So there we go. There's the invitation to join. I'll post it 3 times. Put that in your browser, and you can become a member. And there you go. So you've got just a minute or so to do it. We'll give everyone the chance to do it. If you've just tuned in, we've got 36 likes. Awesome stuff. We've got 25 watching. So there's only half our... We've got 38 members right now. 38 members. It does show I've got 45, I think, in the raffle wheel. I leave that just in case someone remembers during the live show. So it's already done. But they won't win if they're not a member. So they have to have a badge after their name to win. And they have to be here in the show. So it is completely fair for everyone. I'll say it now to save time. I'm here. Don't try and be smart with me. That doesn't count. You'll have to be here when we do it. All right? Okay, so I'm going to give 1 more minute. I'm going to put a minute on the clock. You need to be a member. You've got 1 minute now. If you want to join, you can be part of this. There's many, many perks. This is just one of the perks you get, all right, as a member. All right? So when the clock hits 1, 0, then it's showtime. All right? Okay. All right. Mullen is moving up again. Let me share it with you. Let's chew all the stocks. Vanguard S&P is just down today, 0.17, but I'm overall up 4.5%. Mullen is now up 9% today, 268. It will sell at 241. 241. But I'm staying in that crazy ride right now, and it's a lot of fun. I'm enjoying it. I'm enjoying being involved in this. SoFi is doing well as well. Tesla, 890, bounced off that 900. Up 10% overall now. Okay. Okay, time is up. Let me just correct why that went to there. I have no idea why that went to there. So let me change. Don't know why that went to there. Anyway, let me get rid of the clock. Right, it's draw time. Draw time right now. So are you ready? Let's go over to the draw. Let's see. You've got to be here to win it. Right, here is the draw. First of all, I'm going to show everybody's name on the thing so you can all see, because some of you go, I'm not on it. It didn't put me on it. Right? I get people like that. Normally it's Moaning Dave. But Moaning Dave is allowed to moan. He's an Englishman. He's on chemo, so he's allowed to moan. I moan, and I've got nothing wrong with me. At least, not yet anyway. In it to win it. Right, here's your name. Ready? Every single person, look on the screen now. I'm not on it. See, Robert Durant. It's always him. I'm not on it. I'm not on it. Yeah, you are. Here you come. Look, here you come. PQR. Oh, look, Robert Durant, you're in it. See? You spin me right round. You spin me right round, baby, like a record, right round, right. Who would believe that I'm a professional singer? Who would believe that I'm, you listen to me on YouTube and you go, oh my God, that guy's amazing. You listen to me now, right, see, not so good. Here we go. Raffle time. Continue. Okay, you ready? Here we go. It's rock and roll time. Let me clear the ticker from the bottom of the screen. Let me take off the ticker so we can see what's going on. Right, there we go. I have 2.2% chance of winning. Yeah, you have 2.2% chance of winning. There's 38 members, so be shush. Yeah, but the thing is, half of them aren't even here. There's 38. There's only 25 watching. There's only 20. And some of these members aren't members anymore. Remember, if they were in, their name, they wouldn't have a badge anyway. So it's actually better than that. Your odds are better than that. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. It's showtime. Time out. Good luck all. Dave Mottram's excited. Are you ready? Dave Mottram, by the way, has won 3 bloody times. If Dave Mottram rings today, I'm going to start questioning my own raffle as a fix. You ready? Here we go. Go! Doobie-doo-wah. I hope no one's in the first time. Paddy April! Paddy's not here! Oh my gosh! I don't think Patty's here. Somebody tell her. Somebody tell her you would have won the money. Patty's not here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No, she's not here. I don't think she's here. All right, we'll go again. Patty's not here. She wins all the time too, mate. She does win a lot. But she's not here. She's not here. Something is wrong with the wheel. Yeah, the wheel's broken. Go. It's completely bloody random. Be shush, Robert Durant. I can't fix it. Look, my hands are here, look. Dr. Nathan Smith. He's not here. I don't think Dr. Smith's here. You also have 97.7 chance of losing. There you go. That's the way to look at it. You have a much better chance because only half the members are here, and there's about 10 in the wheel that are no longer members. So there you go. I just haven't deleted them. I leave them on there. All right. Okay. Let's go again. Now that is accurate. Here we go. Raffle. Let's go again. Dr. Smith, you would have won. Nicky Boy Gaming. Oh, that's one of our new members from yesterday. Somebody tell Nicky Boy Gaming. He joined yesterday. I can't believe it. He joined yesterday, and he's not here. He joined yesterday. He'd have come straight in and won. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. All right, who's going to win next then? Let's go. Here we go. Go. Okay. William Karam. William was here earlier. Is William in the house? My name's not on the wheel. Yes, it is. Sagums. It is. It is. We've just shown everybody's name. Your name is on the wheel. Right. Is he here? I don't think he's here. What's going on? William Karam. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No, too late. Go again. It's exciting. And the winner is Mark Korn. Mark Korn was here earlier. I don't know if Mark Korn is here either. 27 watching. We got 38 members, which means 9 people aren't watching. 9 members are not included right now. Here on YouTube. If you want to be involved, you need to be on YouTube. Mark Korn is here. Mark Korn is here. We have a winner. Mark Korn is here. We have a winner. I'm supposed to win. Congratulations, Mark. There we go. Mark is the winner. And let's bring it up. Mark, there you go, Mark. So now tell everybody who won. Patty April was the first winner. She wasn't here. Dr. Smith was here. Won, but he wasn't here. Nicky Boy Gaming, a brand new member from 2 days ago, was here. Won, but wasn't here. And William Karam, a new member recently, unfortunately wasn't here. But Mark Korn is the winner. Okay, Mark, do you have a cell phone? Do you have an iPhone? Doody doody dooby doo 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 dooby dooby doo. And who was it? It was who was it who said they wasn't on the list? It was Sagum Samuel. Sagum Samuel. I always like to make sure everyone's happy. Sagum Samuel, there you are, look, in green. You were there. See, told you. Don't come and tell me. I know what's going on. Right, Mark Korn. Back to the stocks, back to the shares. And let's look at Mullen. It's up again. It's rising again. So let's have a look. I will text you my Coinbase. There you go. Send me your email of Coinbase, and we'll do it now live on the show, so everybody can go, oh, he really does it. He really pays it out. We like it. Let's have a look. So Mark Korn, I'm sending Mark Korn a text now. Mark Korn. Now, I've got the email. Right, here we go. Ready? Now, everyone stay where you are, because we're going to announce a very special event. Copy email. This is my idea. Now, if you are a silver member, you can have a birthday concert or a fundraiser, 20-minute concert. Not a full fundraiser. The full fundraisers are for sponsors only. That's when we promote it, do it as an event, and we play a big thing, and you have an hour-long show, maybe even longer, actually. All right, maybe 2 hours. That's for sponsor members. But if you're a silver member, you can have a 20-minute concert for a birthday, or you can have it as a fundraiser. And Zach is here, and he decided he wanted to do it. He wanted a fundraiser. Look at Mullen, everybody, 278, pushing up again. He wanted it as a fundraiser. So, what I'd like to do is I would like to do the fundraiser next Friday. Right where we are right now, a week from now, we will do a fundraiser. Okay? So what we will do, we will do the cash giveaway like now, all right? And then we'll end the day trader show. We'll end the day trader show, and we'll go over to the Martyn Lucas channel. All right, that's where the music concerts have to be for copyright reasons. And we'll do 20 minutes for Zach. And we'll put his fundraiser link on the screen. So you don't go through Super Chat. You just donate for requests or whatever to support Zach, our silver member. Now, you remember he's from Uganda. He's helping the poorest people in the world who are most affected, particularly by the global warming issues, and of course the war in Ukraine and instability in the world. They are the people most affected. And he is going to do a fundraiser. So we'll put his link on the screen. It'll be next Friday, right now. Exactly right now. We'll end this show, go into the Martyn Lucas channel, and do our fundraiser next Friday. So I will set up the event today. It'll be on my YouTube channel. All week long I will share the link. All right, so let's do a poll. So, who's in for Zach on Friday? Okay, there we go. There we go. Ask the community, who's in for Zach on Friday? Straight at the end of the show, next week, we'll leave the show where we are now, end the show, go into the Martyn Lucas music channel, and we'll do a 20-minute concert where you can make requests. You can also, if you can't watch it live, but there's no reason why you can't because you're all here, you can also watch it later and donate later and share links later. All right, so everybody has no excuse. I'm going to go into COINBASE now and give Mark Korn his money. So Mark, stand by. I'm sending your gift to you now. Are you ready? Here we go. So I'm going to do $10 of Shiba. I know you love all that stuff. Mark Korn. Oh, you've already won before. Right, Mark, you ready? Stand by. Kevin Bird's here. The day trader. The day trader is your little card. This is on Coinbase. Continue. $10.01. Oh, you got 1 cent out of me. I don't know how you managed to pull that one off. But anyway, you did. Gift now. Right, yeah, I'm collecting your Shiba. I know you are. I'm giving you all my Shiba. Right, here you go, everybody. I want to show everybody I've done it. Right, this is how you win money as a member. And let me show it right now. Right, Mark, tell me you've got the money. I just sent you $10, which is 458,000 Shiba. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. All right, did you get the money? Done. There you go. Thank you very much indeed. It's all done. There you go. I'm running out of money. I haven't got much left now. You've taken all my money. I keep giving it away. I've got nothing left. Oh, you guys. All right, that's that. Now then. So, let's have a look at the poll. 13 votes. There's always one person who says they're not doing it, right? Right. So there you go. You have 12 people already, Zach, who are going to attend the fundraiser concert for you next Friday. So I'm going to create an event on the channel. Your job, Zach, and every one of our traders is to share the link. It's going to be on the Martyn Lucas channel. And at this point in the show, we'll finish the show like we always do. We'll go into the music channel. You can have your music on while you're trading. And it'll be your link on the screen, Zach. Not mine. Not my PayPal. Not my super chat. It'll be yours. And the only link we will share will be your link. And 100% of the money will go to you. And then it won't just be during the show. It's a 20-minute concert. As a silver member, you get a 20-minute concert. If you upgraded to a sponsor, a lot more expensive, I know. It's $99. You get an hour-long concert. And we do a lot more promoting on it because you are a sponsor member. Now, a lot of our big charities do that. That's how they do it. But I don't think you want to spend that sort of money, and I want to be able to do it for you as a silver member. So all silver members get a 20-minute normally it's a birthday party. It's not normally a fundraiser. The fundraisers are normally much more promoted and bigger. But I don't want you to have to pay $99. If you want to upgrade and do it, that's fine. We'll make it even bigger. But right now, you're going to get it. I don't normally do it for silver members. They just get a 20-minute sing-along party. That's it. Not a fundraiser. But for you, I want to do it. Okay? So we are looking at Mullen. Mullen's on the screen. I know. Can't believe it. We are on the screen right now. So there we go. That'll be set up today. All our traders will share the link when I've created it. Zach, I know you will do your thing. So Zach, what I want you to do, I know you contact me through WhatsApp. Send me the donation link. One link. That's it. One link where you want all the money to go to. All right? One link that you want all the money to go to. And that's the only link we're going to post. Okay, no resistance after 350 and should start squeezing, I would think, after 5. Wow, this is incredible. Right, Vanguard S&P is just down. I'm still up 4.5% though. That's fine. Mullen is now 289. my stop loss is now at 255. So I'm making money with a guaranteed stop loss, and I'm running it at 13%. What I could do is increase it. I could increase 13% to 15%, 20%. I could do that. Just nervous for a rug pull. Don't be nervous. Set yourself a limit. Set yourself a limit. Look at the swings. Mine will sell at 35 cents lower than that. And just do that. Just lower, just put yourself a stop limit and just set that and go, what the hell? And that's it. You're going to make money, guaranteed, 100%, and let it ride up. If it keeps on going and goes to $1 million, you become a millionaire, right? If it doesn't and it drops, doesn't matter. I got my stop in. Good for you. Good for you, mate. So don't be nervous then. What have you got to be nervous about? I just want it to keep going because it's fun, right? I don't want it to go down and sell at, what is mine now? Mine will sell at 2... Hang on, what is it? The stop loss will go at 255. I don't want it to go at that, because I'd be out and it'd be boring. I want to see it run and run and run and run and run. But I'll tell you, I have no faith in the stock. It is gambling, but it's not gambling if you've got insurance. It's gambling if you sit here with no safety net and just keep thinking it's going to go up to 20, 30, 40, 100, pick a number, right? That's gambling. It's not gambling if you set a limit, all right? It's not gambling. You're just riding the merry-go-round, and you've got the switch to get off whenever you want. And whenever you get off, you win, all right? Simple as that. If you've just tuned in, smash the like button. We've got 36 likes. Amazing day today. Absolutely awesome stuff. I've got to get off right now, though, because I've got Mullen videos to make. I've got lots of stuff to do. I want to put a big shout out today. Is Muzanella still with us? For those of you who don't know, I think some of you joined late, rewind the video to the beginning or clip it and share it. There was a very special moment. Muzanella, one of our biggest traders, was in the show this morning. He phoned in from his financial office. He called in, and we had a great insight on options. So rewind the video. It was near the beginning, and you can have a little listen in. It was very, very, very informative. Everything he said, I stand by 100%. It's my views exactly. Me and Moose share a lot of the same ideas. Agree with him totally. That this is ridiculous right now. This is a multi-million-dollar market cap company. I'll scroll down and show you. It is $81 million. 81 million market cap right now. Let's get one thing straight, guys. $81 million would barely build the factory to build the cars. This is ridiculous that a stock has gone like this with an $81 million market cap. It's ridiculous, but the volume today is 25 million, and the average is 241 million. Let me refresh that, make sure that that's up to date. I'll check that with you right now. The average today, no, I beg your pardon. That's not up to date. The up to date is 150 million volume. Its average is 240. And we're only 10 o'clock Central, 11 o'clock Eastern time. But bearing in mind, the majority of the volume is in the morning. So let's just get that in mind. But so we're on maybe even down slightly today on the average. Maybe. But we'll see. It normally slows down, but we'll see. But yeah, the market cap, let me go down to it. Hang on, let me scroll back up again. Where is it showing it? The market cap. Right, is 141 million. Yeah, that's because the cost of the price of the stock has gone up. Yeah, the average volume is 241. Let me share with you what I'm looking at so you can see it here. Okay, this is on Robinhood. This information is being updated all the time. The average today is 152. There you go, see it? The average is 152, and the average volume overall is 241. Market cap is 140. It started out this morning at something like 86 million. It's going up purely by the value of the stock, which is how it's done. But, you know, this is a company that can't suddenly go out and build a factory and produce these cars. This is a meme stock. This is like GameStop. This is like all those other stocks that blew up just because people put it on Reddit. It's a great way to make money, but it's not investing, and it's gambling if you don't have a safety net. It's not gambling, in my book anyway, if you set a stop trading loss, because then you can't really lose your money, can you? All right. Now, what I could do right now is I made $220 yesterday. I could make $540 right now. I could sell it right now and go, okay, I'm done with this. Right? 554, 560. Look, right there. Look. I could sell it right now and go, oh, I'm done. I've made a load of money. This is brilliant. Right? But what I've decided to do is set a stop trading loss, because clearly this is on fire. Clearly there's lots of talk. There was an analyst who has put a price target on this of $15. Now, if that's the case, that could go up 5 times from where it is now. 5 times. My $3,000 will turn into $15,000. That's ridiculous. So I would rather be in that game knowing if it did go to $15,000, it could fall back to $10,000. I'm still up $10,000, right? Rather than be out of it and just take my $500 and walk away. Clearly this is being hyped. So set yourself a stop trading loss when it drops, because it will at some point. You take your money, you walk away and go, okay, I'm done with that. That's fine. And that's really it. It's a lot of fun. It's a great bit of fun. It's very, very exciting. Why not be in it? Why not be in it and have some fun with it? but set yourself a trailing loss. Give yourself a nice swing. And the way to do that is, let's say we go here. This is 12%, right? That swing there, 6%, 7. So there's like a 6% swing. Okay? And you think, okay, that's the biggest swing today, a 6% swing, a 6% swing. So if you set a 6% swing, you've basically got room to move the size of that. So let's go 8%. Let's give it a little bit of extra room. But if you really like where it's going, and you think the profit is going up and up and up and up and up, you might increase it a bit. You might go, all right, give myself a 10% swing. Now, I've got a 13% swing right now. Double that. Because if I look at it, there are moves like that. There are moves like that and still keeping myself in the stock. And if you look at the pattern, it trades sideways, pumps up, drops back a bit. Pumps sideways, up, up. See, it's got a definite pattern to it. So I would set yourself a reasonable stop loss that's a little bit, little bit more than you need. Give yourself a bit of insurance. That way, you keep in the game because it is a game and it is fun and it is exciting and you never know, this might make you a rich man or woman. And why not? But make sure that you've protected yourself and you're never going to lose money. And I'm never going to lose money now. My trading loss now has just moved to 258. This deal now is 239. So let's go so that is 38, 40. That is 20. That's 19 cents. 19 cents up. And that will be a profit of 19 cents times 1,000 is $190 plus the 210 I made yesterday. So $400 guaranteed I've made. Now I could have made 500 yesterday, 500 today, $1,000. But I'd rather be in the game, because this is clearly a game, and ride it up, because who knows how high this is going to go. Okay? So we're going to keep watching it throughout the day. I want to now wrap up the show. Before I go, what brokerage does everyone use? Let's get an up-to-date update. Right. For Ali, you're in the UK. I can give you some, I think we've already done this, but I'm just going to make sure that just in case, I'm going to give you the all links button. Everyone make sure that you regularly check the all links button, because I add new stuff all the time. Under this button, I'm posting it 3 times. 1, 2, 3 in the chat. There you go. Under the all links button, you have all the social media, Discord, Twitter, Instagram, blah, 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 TikTok. But you also have my links to eTORO, who I use, COINBASE, who I use, WEBULL, who I use, and Robinhood. I don't use any others. But all of these have offers and referrals and free stocks and free crypto, and they update the offers. So some of these are available in the UK, some are available in the US and globally. Check them all out. I add new stuff all the time, and from time to time, my sponsors give me stuff and I add them to them as well. Now, talking of sponsors, before we go, is Nudge It, Budget, Move It in the house today? If so, I want to mention it because we have a great audience now watching. I want to make sure that we promote him. If he's here, if not. So, Ali, I have got eTORO. In fact, I will share with you what I have. Robinhood isn't available, but it will be soon. And well, I don't know if it'll be soon, but it will be available. And when it is, I will share it with everybody. Right, here is my accounts for all of you to see. Here is my WEBULL account. Here is my COINBASE account. My COINBASE is going down by the minute because I keep giving people money. I've got to stop doing this give away money stuff. I don't know why I do it. Whose idea was it to give money away? Here is my eTORO account. At least you saw it there for a moment. And of course, you've all seen my Robinhood account, which is up 4% today. There you go. There's eTORO. There you go. There's eTORO. I've just got it open. The only reason why I have it open is if anyone wants to know anything about it, I can share with you. But I don't use it. It's just got a few bucks on it. Each account's got a bit of money in it, which just sits there. And it was my idea, was it? Well, I need to get rid of the idea. It's a stupid idea. Who thinks it's a good idea that I carry on giving money away? Right, let's have a look. Zach has now got 14 people, or maybe, yeah, 14 people, I think, going to watch his show at the moment. Good stuff. Hang on, that's a good idea. Let's do that as a poll. Right. Who thinks it's a good idea I keep giving money away? Right. Who thinks it's a good idea I keep giving money away? Same here in Canada. We don't have it also. There we go. I'm in the UK, Ali. I'm near Portsmouth. Here we go. Right. Mullen is now just dropped to 287, 286. Me, and it should be daily. Well, do the poll then. Don't just shout it out. Do the poll. Do it properly. Right, I've got to go. Vanguard S&P. Oh, my flipping heck. Look at this. Up. This is insane, the growth today. Let me just check. Am I close to doing the... I'm up on the day. I'm up on the week. I'm up on the month. What about the 3 months now? 3,000 to go. 6% to go. 6.5% to go for 3 months. Yeah, if we did that, we're really, 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 really on fire. Just 2,500 down now from where we were at our high. Sorry, 2,500 down from where we were at our zero. Oh, you know what I mean. Does everyone know what I mean by that? Before all this craziness started. Me, and it should be daily. Right, yeah, well, you got no chance, mate. You got no chance. That ain't happening in a million years. I think once every week is as much as you're going to get. We just gained another subscriber. We now have 2,407. I don't know how to do a poll. That could be dangerous. What do you mean, the poll? You don't do a poll. I do the polls. You just vote. You don't do a poll. Right? Who thinks it's a good idea I keep giving money away? 7 votes, 7 out of 7. You almost said once a day. Yeah. Well, I ain't saying that. So you can put that in your pipe and smoke it. Right. Vanguard is up. Mullen is up 282, 281. So there's your little swing. Now remember, I'll be out of this 258. 258. It's getting closer. 258. I hope I'm not out. I want to stay in, but I'm not going to adjust it. I'm not going to adjust it. It's a reasonable drop. It's a reasonable drop. I want to stay in it, but I've made some money on it. I'll be fine with that. Don't get greedy. Where in the UK are you, Ali? Careful what you say. It might come round your house. It might come and stalk you. Root is up today, 10%. SoFi is up 4%. Tesla is up 2.64. It's touched 900 now a few times. Rivian is up today. SPCE is also up today, 1.17. It's now 910. I'm 20% up on it. I'm holding it now. I like it. Bournemouth, there we go, from Bournemouth. Amazon is up 0.44. I have done the Miramar Hotel. And Miramar Hotel, I've played in Bournemouth 4 years in a row, New Year's Eve. Like a beautiful 5-star hotel, Miramar Hotel in Bournemouth for 4 years in a row. Years ago. Go to the Miramar Hotel and say, do you know Martyn Lucas? I watch him on YouTube. And the guy will go, The guy will go, never heard of him. Don't believe a word he says. He's called David Bailey, the owner, just so you know. NVIDIA. I don't know why I'm telling you all this. You don't care. You're not writing it down. You're not bothered, are you? NVIDIA, Palantir, up 3%. What you're all interested in, you love when I tell you this little story. My godfather's Kenny Baker. Kenny Baker was R2-D2, the man inside the robot, hence my name, Martyn Lucas. You all like that one. You're interested in that one. You put that on Facebook. But no one cares less that I played in a hotel for New Year's Eve in Bournemouth. You couldn't care less. They said he's dodgy. He is. I wouldn't give out your address to believe a bubble. He'll come round with his bubble machine and blow bubbles all over you. You'll be going, what the hell? I didn't ask for this. I just want to watch YouTube, do day trading with Martyn Lucas. I don't want to have this guy come around my house. Makes note, Dave Bailey. It's David Bailey, not Dave Bailey. It's called David Bailey. You call him Dave and he'll go, who's that? Right, let's have a look. Look at all these stocks today. It's insane, really. Rolls Royce has let me down, though. Bubbles are awesome. Yeah, there are. They are if you're a 5-year-old kid. A grown man shouldn't be playing with bubbles. It's about time you grow out of it. To be honest with you, it's about time you put a stop to it, to be honest. I'm going to end the broadcast on TikTok. There we go. Yeah, it's about time you put a stop to it. You're welcome round. Come for a beer on the beach. Oh my gosh. Look, we've got day traders now getting together. We're having conventions now. We're having conventions. The Day Trader channel is so famous and so amazing and so brilliant and amazing. We're now having conventions around the world. We're having conventions in Bournemouth. We're having day traders if day traders get together and send in and do stuff together, send in videos. Send in videos. I want videos sent in. I want videos sent in of day traders getting together in parts of the world. All right? I'm serious. I don't want any messing around. Waiting for my daily dire straits. Well, you got to give Super Chat. I told you how that works. You can't. That ain't for free. That ain't free. As a member, you can make a request, but you've still got to give me a Super Chat. No, you've got to come too. I ain't coming because if Bubble's coming, I'm having nothing to do with it. I'm having nothing to do with it. If he's going, I ain't going. Right? I don't want to get involved in that sort of crowd. That's the UK division of the convention. I am in the US of A convention of the Day Trader. All right? I don't do the UK convention. I don't get involved in all that stuff. Boat trip. I reckon we should go on a cruise ship. That'll be all right. I'll be up for that. We'll hire a. We won't hire a ship. Okay. We're not. What we could do though is go on a cruise ship. We won't hire one, but we'll go on one. Right? How about that? Right. I've got to go. Just because I can't take my bubbles in my pocket, you can fit your keyboard in yours. What? I can't put my keyboard in my pocket. What are you talking about? You can put bubbles. Anyone can put bubbles in anything. You can put bubbles on it. What are you on about? Of course you can. All you need is a bit of fairy liquid. See, let's get one thing straight, folks. Some of us have a real skill. You know what I mean? We actually, you know, we need all of this. We need to have our head screwed on. We need all of this so we can do our show, right? Believe a bubble. How he pays his mortgage is fairy liquid. All he needs is fairy liquid and a ring. Some ring he can blow through. That's it. I've seen the video. I've seen the video of you doing it. You stand on a stage and you blow through a hoop. Anyone could do it. Anyone. I could do it. I could get a hoop and go. That's it. Then I'd be your competition. Believe a bubble, you'd have competition then because I'd be on YouTube doing it. Telling everyone how to blow bubbles. I tell you what, you'd be in trouble then, mate. Your business would go down the toilet. You'd have competition. Don't you start. I'm not even going with your jokes. Your jokes. We can't have here on the channel. We can't have that. We got boys and girls listening in. Dire Straits, Dire Straits, Dire Straits. I've got 6 Dire Straits songs, but you ain't getting none of them. without a super chat. And now I've got to go anyway. I've got to get set for the Ukraine show. So if you want a Dire Straits song, come in the Ukraine show and do there's the super chat in there as well. And then you have to request it in there. All right? There you go. You can go Dire Straits all you like. But I'm not doing it. Right, I've got to end the show. I'm going to invite everyone right now to come to the... Mullen is still running. My stop loss is now set at 258. And I hope, because it's fun, that it carries on and on and on and on and on. And 258, I'll be done and I'll be out. And that'll be great. Right, how many people coming to Zach's gig? We got... oh, hang on a minute. Who thinks it's a good idea I keep giving money away? 7 out of 10. Who the miserable sods who said no? Unbelievable. All right. I only want a couple more people to say no, and I can scrap it. That'll make... Oh, believe... Super... We haven't got time now. You got to come to the other show, the Ukraine show, in 35 minutes. I can't do it now. I run out of time. Told you. I've been telling you. I accidentally hit no. Oh, there you go. Fusion said no accidentally. Super chat on its way. Right. You need to drop it into the... I was trying to close the window. Don't worry about it. He was trying to close the window. He fell over the chair, banged his head, knocked the telly over. The picture fell off the wall, and then he accidentally clicked no. The house is on fire. The cat's running out. The cat's been run over by the dog. The dog doesn't know what's going on. The dog's all confused. Believer Bubble just turned up with his ring and his bubbles and his fairy liquid. That's creating chaos with the neighbours. The neighbours are coming out going, hang on a minute, what's going on here? 5 minutes ago, you're watching the Day Trader. This guy runs up with a ring and bubbles. He doesn't know what he's doing. I'm covered in fairy liquid. The dog just sat on the cat, and you told me you were just trying to vote no. I'm very, very confused. That's the ramblings of a madman. Have you ever heard the saying, ramblings of a madman? That is what's known as ramblings of a madman. LOL, and I got attacked by the cat. Super chat from Bubble Man. Yes, pay attention. I've said we've run out of time. I've got to get ready for the Ukraine show. I will do Dire Straits in the show in 40 minutes from now. So you got to be there, and you got to put a super chat in there, all right? And I won't be asking for it in there because I like that show to be really somber for our friends in Ukraine. If you want to request it, just do it by yourself. I won't be going, give me money. I don't do that in that show. I do it in this show. Because this is the money show. In this show, I'll say, give me your money. Oh, all day long. No problem at all. All day long. But not in that show, I won't. All right? So here is the show. I'll be live in 40 minutes. That's why I've got to get going. And we'll do Dire Straits if you give me a super chat. Here is the show. Has anybody liked it already? Let's have a look. No. No one's liked it yet. That's terrible. Right, there we go. There is the link. I'll post it 3 times so you can all see it. Would one of my moderators approve the message by Ali Isles, please? Because he's spamming the channel. It needs a moderator to approve it. It was for £2. I know, Dave Mottram. I know it's for £2. He's going to have to wait 40 minutes. Because I said, before you give me any money, time's up. Finish. £2? Right. Look, I've got 1 like on it. Go and give me a comment here in the chat over here. Look, in the chat here. Here, right above my head. Right, okay, there you go. I've got to go then, folks. Oh, Mullen is falling. Let's go back to it quickly. Mullen is falling now. This could be it. It could break. It could break. Here we go. My loss is 258. 20 cents to go. It will sell. This is why you put your loss in. Martin, use my super chat.